Hello, everyone. Oh, it's us.
Hello.
Hat Films.
Hi.
We're back. Ready to
We are.
delve into Space Engineers once again. Freaking love this game. I can't help
Going
myself.
to the moon.
I'm so addicted. It might actually be a problem.
We're going to the moon.
Going to the goddamn
To
moon.
the moon!
I will say, the many, many hours that I've put in outside of this, I've yet to go to space. I'm sure it's possible, but I've just put a lot of effort into building on a planet.
Ground mining.
Okay.
Yeah, because
Well, that's where we're gonna push the boundaries.
You're gonna push the boundaries
We're
and
gonna
take
go
me to
into
places.
space.
So yeah, that's exciting. Thank you for joining us today. Thank you also to the subbies that have come in already. Didn't have to do anything. Thank you, Borkins1212 for 17 months on Prime. Thank you to Roar Borkins. Roar90 for 43 months on Prime, saying loving the reactor vlog vids. Hope they're doing good numbers. They're doing alright, actually. Let's have a look. Let's look specifically at our numbers right now.
It's just us watching stuff. It's not bad.
It's not bad. And considering I haven't released in a while.
If anything, it's more interesting seeing how many comments of people who said they'd never seen it before. So it's kind of good because it's reintroducing content which we are proud of and want people to see. So
yeah, 88k on the first one, 74. Excellent, brilliant, happy with that. That along with Hat Gaming, we're doing okay. We're happy with that. Thank you,
indeed,
Raw90 for that. So Keezy, thanks for tier 2 at 11 months. And also the 5 gifties. Very kind of you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Stumpy Goblin. Never heard of him before. Seems like a nice guy. 11 months. Morning Handsome C-Words. Have a good stream. Are you guys putting the whole Hat Bank account on GameStop? Yeah, fingers crossed. We bought some stock just today.
I actually wanted, I want to buy at least one just for the sake of getting involved with the mania, you know, and
screw them hedge funds.
Currently, I'm just waiting to be verified on these accounts.
We haven't done that. You can't do that as a business.
Oh,
maybe you can, but we haven't.
You can, but it's
whether we should.
Risky. Extremely risky.
Probably worth not do. I think Smith's done it for funsies and Ross done it for funsies. I was a bit too late to it, and now they've limited the whole thing. So
bought a bit of Dogecoin, and that was it.
Bit of Dogecoin.
A toe in the water. A toe in the water.
In it to win it.
To the moon. Nice. Yeah. Thank you, Raging Turtle 666 for 22 months on Prime. Hey Ross, I've heard of you. Like a dog, need your anal glands expressed.
Oh no!
Thanks, Raging Turtle 666. Can you help me with that?
Express this man's anal glands.
Just takes
Is this an offer?
A firm push. A firm push.
Express.
And you'll hear a little spritz, and then that's it.
Oh, is that really?
I have no idea. I have no idea. I've not actually seen the process happen, but
you haven't.
Like you were
I've watched
from
the video.
Experience.
That sounds like it would be.
It's disgusting. Thank you to Afghan Vet 87 for 2 months on Prime as well, and that's everybody so far. I've added some mods. I will say I've added some mods, but I'll explain more when we get started. I've listened to your feedback. I've taken some on board. I knew some stuff already. Not to brag, but I'm pretty fucking good at this game. I'm not at all. I've just watched some tutorials.
He knows enough.
I'm competent. Should we get started? Let's not waste any time.
I'm just loading in at the moment. Hold on.
Yeah, right. I'll load on you. Are you already in, Trop?
Yeah, I'm already in. The server should be available to you. Space Engineers Esports Champion. Yes. It's so intuitive to me. It's like I lived in space in another life. Well, no comment. All right.
Come on, load, you son of a bitch.
I hope you both enjoy the additions I've placed on this server. Also, we probably need to move.
I'm excited to see them.
I need to move my cam back to the top right. So I'll do that right now. There it is. Look at this. Fresh new HUD.
A fresh new HUD. Where do I see it? Oh, it's got color. And things actually have color.
Different, you'll notice. The bottom left used to be horizontal bars. Now it's like colorful quarter circles. And
this looks so much better already. Like, I'm just looking at the fact that they've given the icons color, and it just pops out so much more. Yeah, like even just putting like a bit of blue on stuff and things like that.
Simple.
It just helps you see items and things a lot easier.
There you go. Yeah, like obviously, all the modded items are still going to be monochromatic because this colorful mods guy hasn't made an icon for every single mod in the game. But still, really good.
For the most part, it's useful.
Yeah.
I like it. Where's my ship from earlier?
Color. It's right here on me. I made a GPS coordinate actually, so I can share that with y'all.
Oh, it's another eclipse coming. I want to go up and see that. Actually, I might make that my objective. You see that? Look up at the sun. You see the tiny planet that's going in front of it now.
Yeah.
I want to go to that planet.
That's not tiny. That's quite a big planet. It's almost eclipsing that sun.
No, the one. If you look at the sun, there's a little one. There's a little one as well.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Little babby. Little babby planet.
Away it is. Cool. Yep. Excellent.
Is it real? Is it up there? Can I go there?
If you see it, it is real.
That's pretty cool.
I'll go through the mods that I've added shortly. Chat. Don't whiz-was about it. Those that are interested. All those following along and installing the same mods. All's very interesting. But yeah, once everyone's in, we can get rolling and get going.
I'm in, Crisp.
Oh, good.
I think I'm in too.
That bottom left does look better. I've just seen what you're talking about because I have my HUD turned off.
Yeah, it's a bit more animated as well.
Have you changed any graphics mods? Because it looks a little bit more edgy than it used to.
No. Not affected graphics in any way.
Well, maybe that's just my eyes then.
I think that's just your eyes entirely. Thank you, Jonathan Rambo. Holy crap. How many is that?
John Rambo?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
The John Rambo.
15.
From Rambo
gift
fame.
Subbies. Thank you very much, Jonathan Rambo from Rambo fame. I hope you're all thanking Jonathan Rambo if you're one of the chosen to be ascended. Very kind. Thank you. Sir Jim, also 14 months on Prime. Thank you. Up, down, left, Ryan, 30 months. When will you get around to engineering the procreation chambers to keep the bloodlines going? That's a high priority. Don't worry about that. We'll get started on it straight away once we have the resources to do so. Obviously, we need to procreate vigorously and consistently throughout the night. Lovely. Right, you both in?
Yeah,
yes, both in.
Sound checks. How's this sound?
Sounds good.
Is that still too loud for drilling? I'm just checking with everybody else.
Oh, drill sound, right.
Drill sounds, character breathing. Right, okay. Let's turn it all down.
Of course we're procreating with each other. Who else is on this planet?
We have to.
We have to. We have to find a way.
Keep things going.
I've turned. So, is this fine now? Because I've turned it down a little bit more, I think. Oh, I'm stuck in a hole.
Is that better?
Whoa! Holy crap. Okay, right, we're good. Yeah, I can roll.
Excellent.
Everyone else is good to roll?
I'm good to roll.
Good to roll.
Rolling.
Okay, I'm rolling.
Rolling. Craig, more Space Engineers. Who'd have thought?
Yes, Craig. It's more of the same.
I'll give us a little marquee.
Progression.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Mark. Excellent. And then a quickie intro. Hello and welcome back to Space Engineers with your dearest three boys, Hat Films of Hat Gaming fame. We have another channel.
Yes,
if you haven't joined us up until now, a brief recap by Ross in a strange accent.
Hello, we have done some weird stuff with ships. I built a rocket ship that looked like a hypodermic needle, and what I did then was crash it directly into the ground, point ways down, and it survived. Mostly, I don't know where it is though.
It's here. It's by me. I've created a GPS coordinate. If you press K, top right GPS, double click crash site, it should enable it on your HUD. It's red. Kind of
double click crash site. Is it called crash site?
It's called crash site on your GPS coordinates. You not see
Also,
it?
I don't have that list on the list.
How about now?
Oh, crash site. I see it. I see it now. Yeah.
You double click it, it just enables it on your HUD.
Okay.
Trot,
Sean,
you've added
okay.
some.
Nice.
You've added some mods as well, right?
You may have noticed a bit more color in the HUD, and the HUD is a little different as well. Yes, I've added, thanks to some feedback, I've added colorful icons as well. So a lot of the base icons have. Did you just die?
No, I was close to death though.
Lots of
I fired
stuff
myself
here
towards it.
have color now, which is fantastic. A bit more vibrance in the world. Not only that, I've added some other stuff as well. Most impressively, I'd say the paint gun mod is a really cool mod. You can paint stuff anyway, but it's a bit cumbersome by default. Instead, this gives you an actual tool, a paint gun tool with some cartridges where you look at the block and literally fire at it and it changes its color. And it's a much nicer system than what's in default. There's some new blocks. There's some exploration stuff. There's like abandoned settlements now in the world, and there's like traffic. I don't know if you can see right now. There's like a sky factory about 5.83 kilometers away, just orbiting the planet right now. And there's some traffic, which you can either go and sabotage or see if they can trade. You know,
I like the idea of sky pirating.
Sky pirating.
So we take their stuff and break it up for parts.
Absolutely, yeah.
Like,
and there's a real sweet tactic with that, which is going directly up with your jetpacks and grinding out the thrusters so they drop out the sky.
Oh!
Okay, wow.
That is an interesting strategy.
It's an interesting strat. Let's see if it plays out.
What I'm going to do now, Trot, though, with this machine, or keep going with the mods before
no, what I was going to do is we need to come up with our faction name, because we're in a faction. It's called First Colony, and I believe that doesn't really represent us. So I think that we should...
Should it be called Colony First? Sounds a bit nationalist, doesn't it?
A little bit, yeah.
Maybe we should ask the audience. No, that sounds terrible.
Greasy Spaces.
Let's ask
BBC Space Wales.
Space Wales, of course.
Space Wales.
How do I make this small again, Trot? Look at that.
The
That's
button.
A huge thruster.
Press it again on your hotbar. Oh, that's just a big thruster, Rost.
That's just a big thruster, is it?
That's just the bigger one, yeah.
Oh, I'm just adding to it.
Colonoscopy, sky thrusters, space boiks, shipping and receiving, nutlins, the thrust bastards, HMS Neon Musketeers, Bang Boys Bungalow, Boomerang HQ,
Boys Bungalow.
ELH, Earth's Last Hope.
Say that again.
Earth's Last Hope.
Oh, I like that. Yeah.
Like that, you know, or like...
Adds a bit of gravitas.
Like, something a bit like, you know, we're a night, but it's us. We're the, you know, this is what you're dealing with.
Unfortunately, it is us.
Doomed? Blippy Bloppy.
Blippy Bloppy. I mean, that could be the name of a ship.
Bloppy?
Not necessarily our entire faction's called
You don't
Blippy
want to
Bloppy.
Trot! No!
You need to turn off that thruster.
The thrusters are on!
Get in the cockpit. Go to the control panel, or press K and go to the control panel. You got moments before you hit a tree. Go to the control panel, go to thrusters.
Thrusters?
Oh, you've gone through that tree. That tree's gone. Thrusters
off.
Turn them off.
Yeah?
Toggle block at the top.
It says off.
Oh, some are still going. There might be others. Yeah, it's not the group. That thruster's exploded. Alright, the tree stopped you. The tree has stopped you. There's probably, because you built new thrusters, they're not in that group anymore. They're probably in that list.
So they're just on. I saw you turn the battery off.
Yeah, if you turn the battery off, it won't.
Is that off?
Power. Yeah.
Battery's off.
I mean, we're not moving anymore. You hit a tree.
Jeez. That was
maybe Blippy Bloppy is a good name for our...
Trot, just to get it on the list, we need the cryo chambers so we don't lose our inventory every time, and I also need a charging port for a rover.
Good shout. Okay, perfect. You know what I'm going to do, actually? I'm going to leave Ross and laugh on the way. Deal with that.
I'm trying to. I'm going
That's
to.
your problem. What we could do is somehow bring it back. All you need to do, Ross, is repair the thrusters, and I think you should be able to get that bad.
Yeah, I've got 3 thrusters. Do you think that's enough to get her in the air? 3 is enough, right?
I think you'll probably need more temporarily just to lift it to its vertical position, right? You might need to just...
I guess I could just power on
it's not
the ones
heavy.
pointing downwards so it goes up.
Yeah.
And then kind of balance it. Sounds messy, doesn't it? So
again, your gyro should do a lot of the work.
Control
If it's
panel.
facing that way and you hold space, it should just go up and use the correct thrusters. So don't worry too much about turning certain ones on and off. Just have enough in the right direction. Oh, the rain stopped. Oh, it's now a lovely day.
So control panel for these.
I'm having to run back because ran out of hydrogen.
I can pick you up.
I'm only 300 meters away. So you need a connector for your rover, and we need cryo chambers. I can get on that straight away. I'm wondering if we should make a cool little hangar for your little boy, so that he can go in that hangar door. Big hangar doors open for you, close behind, and there's a little connector in there.
Oh, that'd be cool.
That'd be nice.
I'm trying to work out why my rover, when I press W, just maxes to 100 and sort of bounces on the needle, like dig 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 dig. When I'm
might be
accelerating.
because you're at the limit of like the force you're applying to it.
Do you want to just get in and try it?
I think it's because these 2 top blocks are clipping the suspension.
Oh, okay.
See if that makes a difference. Yeah.
No, it still does the same thing.
There are any others do.
Jump in and see what I mean. Look at the speedo when you accelerate.
I think they're all of these are. It's just a test. We can put them back.
Yep.
Oh my H2.
Fuel.
What? All right, give that a go.
Oh, still does
I can hear a clicking.
Jump in and look. Just drive it first to see what I mean by it. Whoa.
Oh, it's power draw.
Yeah.
You're going way over 100, and it's like turning off and on your engine constantly.
Yeah. So I was in the settings a minute ago trying to manage the power draw, like trying to turn it down somehow.
Right. So what you can do is, I think you have to look at each wheel, unfortunately. Oh wait, I can't do any of it. But if you look at back wheels and front wheels, you can probably lower the power of them. And then some of your battery, one of them is incomplete. Current input, current output. I think a lot of them are drained.
Fuel.
So
yeah, they are. Yeah. Yeah, the batteries
that's
are screwed.
probably why as well. I think if you just had, so it wasn't the connectors. If you wanted to just, it wasn't those steel plates. If you want to make it look nice again. I thought the suspension would have been.
I more want to just get a connector on this thing and get it charged, I suppose.
Yeah, fair enough. What am I doing? A connector. I'm gonna do it from here temporarily. I messed it all up. I'll do it from here then. It's not gonna be pretty, but it'll do for now. Because you do need some power. The colourful HUD is so much better.
12.
What's wrong, Ross?
Right, 12. I'm just trying to
12.
calibrate my thrusters. Make sure they're
Could you pronounce it properly? It's calibrate.
My mistake. Calibrate my thrusters.
Thrustlets. Thrustlets.
I'm not really moving anywhere.
It's not saying it.
Rustlers?
Rustlers.
We're talking about
that works
rustlers?
too. That works too.
Okay, if we toggle 4 off, 5 on. Is that powered?
Give me this stuff. Give me this stuff.
No.
Oh, right.
Yeah,
So
we'll look.
also, I believe this refinery can be upgraded with upgrade modules. We can improve its efficiency, its yield, and its power with these back slots. Unfortunately, half of them are covered up. So it won't be.
Someone say back shots?
Back
Do shots off my back. That's so hot.
Is it though? Let's see. Basic refinery. I'm gonna make you. Oh, it's in cooperative mode anyway. All right, we've already done that. Okay. Everything changes but you.
Everything changes but
Down.
Hopefully this lines up.
Alright, thrusters down.
Connector.
That's
Boiler mash 'em.
I've had to inset the connector a little bit more because I'm going to build an armor casing around it to stop it from snapping off every time I flip.
Okay. Okay.
So, I mean, if you... Oh, okay, this looks fine. Yeah, this looks okay. Looks like I'm going to be...
This is fine.
We test backing up to it. This is fine.
I've not finished it yet, but yeah. See if it's in line. Oh wait, I can finish it now.
I'll try and move. Oh, I'm
Power's
completely
off.
out of power again. How do I turn the power on?
Why?
Because I want to know.
That's smart. That's smart.
simple.
This guy. This guy. I think you might be totally out at this point.
Yeah, I am. I've got to rebuild a battery again.
Just enough to get you over here. The final step. So what you'll need on your hotbar, Smith, is if you go in your cockpit and press G. It's something really bright. If you drag the connector to the hotbar and choose to lock or switch lock, you can lock it to the base and that will cause it to charge.
Alright, tell me that when I get to it in a minute.
Yeah. NPC D E F.
FG. Middle, right, what's that? Oh.
Let me go, I'm thinking with numbers.
Let him go. Okay, we have power.
E. Alright, get over here. Back him up, back him up, back him up.
Okay.
Yeah, you're good, you're good, you're good. Gently,
How
gently,
accurate
gently.
do I have to be?
Oof, it's a bit...
Dong.
I don't think it's going to work.
Why not?
It's just not quite lined up, and those bottom things are stopping it, and you've dented them with that impact there.
Oh, maybe can we raise this a little off the ground, or is it not really going to work?
So
like
what I
that?
can do, yeah, is put a little piston system in, so
Or,
that it perfectly lines
How
up.
about I just lower the ground in front of this?
That works too. You could just drill it out
I mean,
a
it's
bit.
going to be a lot more difficult because the mining tool isn't exactly accurate, but
I'll do the piston thing. It's worth it, and we can always just move it later on. That took a while.
ass to ass.
Ass to ass. Ass
are you
to
saying that?
ass. Oh, what? To enjoy a bit of ass to ass.
Hey, ass to ass, bro.
Well, don't say it without me wanting to instantly want to do it.
Love it.
That's the issue.
You can't. You
It's annoying
can't.
because you've just got him turned on to the idea.
And now I'm turned on to the idea.
No. Idiot.
Now you have to deal with the consequences of me demanding ass to ass all the time.
I don't want to have
exactly.
to deal with those consequences, if I'm honest.
Wow. Much like hedge funds, you have to deal with it sometimes.
Hmm.
You can't just lobby your way out of it. Okay?
It seems
We
like
can. That's the annoying part.
you're making. Trust. Okay. Armor.
Everything changes but you.
But blue.
Blue
Just
never
stays
changes.
in
It's always
Blue never
stays.
changes.
When has blue ever been any other colour apart from blue?
But blue. Yeah.
It's a real good point. God damn.
Everything changes on glue.
Oh. Now this is a little more convoluted, however. Should do the job.
Right, let's get the
Let's
thrusters
build
back
this. Let's
online.
build this up. So all these
Trying
need
desperately to save the
fuels.
carcass of this
Right.
machine I built.
Mose. Oh, I'll just put all the build planner. Ding. Dong. Ding. Dong.
Dong.
Ding.
Dong.
Ding.
Ding dong.
Let's get all them conveyors done first. Also, you may notice in the middle of your HUD, above your hotbar is a bar, and that's your inventory space. Your personal inventory.
We're up.
Oh, he did it. Oh, the other thing I changed on the server is our inventory space is 10 times bigger now.
Yay.
So you can hold more.
We're up.
He's up in the air. Where is he?
Let's look.
The crash site
Look,
was over there.
I'm falling.
But then he treed over there.
Wait, I'm falling.
Are you losing power?
It's losing balance? I don't know. Power?
Enough
I'll
thrust?
try and just get it as close as I
Oh, there's
can.
a tree. Why is that flowing over there? Did you hit a tree at some point?
Ah!
Uh-oh. That didn't sound good.
I heard a huge explosion.
I think that might have been...
It's fine, it's fine, it's fine.
Okay.
That is fine.
Sounded bad.
Don't panic, don't panic. No.
I'm not panicking.
It's fine.
Come
We
on,
lost
I'm
some
not.
of the fuselage along the way. We hit a few things. I
Okay,
slid
mate.
across the ground a lot. And I'm semi-tempted to start fresh. It's
It's a learning
struggle to get
experience,
this
Ross.
back.
That's why you shouldn't go full-blown into your first ship. Like, you know, the whole, I want to go directly into space kind of mentality. It's good to test it out.
Yeah.
And you've achieved that. And you haven't really used too many resources doing so. So
no.
I think it's fine.
Oh, I'm going to get it closer. I need to get closer. Closer.
Get a little bit closer, baby.
Turn
Get
around.
on. What?
Because tonight, we
The
shine.
night. Where we go
fine,
ass
fine.
to ass.
God damn it, Chris. Drop.
So it's going ass to ass.
He needs a little ass to ass.
You started this.
Gonna plug you up, baby.
Construction comp.
Ass
Where's
to
that?
ass. Ass to ass. It's a Requiem for a Dream reference for anyone who just doesn't get why we say ass to ass. Doesn't make it better, but it gives
No,
it
it doesn't,
context.
does
I
it?
think that's the important part.
Context is key.
Not us shouting it randomly, yeah.
Yeah,
Why are
not
motors
just really
constantly
desperate for
being
ass to
produced?
ass.
Who keeps putting... Wait, what
Go on.
the hell is happening? Oh my god. Oh, I put them all in here. Ugh. Ugh. Ugh.
You got quite the
Ugh.
wind turbine setup there.
Thank you.
Quite the setup, indeed.
It's quite ugly, but we
what's my
make
inventory
do.
like? Got a lot of
So-
scrap metal here from
I put this on the assembler too.
mistakes.
Will that go into it? No, it goes in the
I'd like
basic
to donate
assembler.
my scrap metal to you. Here you go. I'm just going to dump it in here. Thank you. Now
yeah,
to
sure.
salvage. Wait, I need to refresh myself.
Info.
Some hydrogen. Yes, thank you. Thank you.
Do you want some help building some stuff you've put down here, Trot?
Yes, please.
I want to get
Use
these.
conveyor system. How do I make sure, like, if I... Does the main one need to not have cooperative mode, but the other ones do? For it to work. Binary. Basic assembler. You can be cooperative. Basic assembler 2.
Well, we need curved conveyor tubes and plates. Lots of plates.
So that one's disabled.
What do we want to achieve on the planet before we try and escape the planet?
Full procreation.
Or is it basically just literally abilities to get off the planet? That's the main
Full
goal?
ass procreation, I think, is at least where we should start.
Full
Man,
ass.
I don't think we should leave this planet until we've, discovered
fully docked
on this planet to achieve.
Right, okay.
Yeah.
My battery exploded. That's what that sound was, by the way.
Nice.
Just so you have
Nice.
an idea
Some
of
context.
what happened there.
It sucks when that happens.
Yeah, but it was a consequence of very obvious failures on my part, piloting and colliding with the Earth a lot. It was me. Some bad decisions.
Well, it's important
Now
to
I'm
take
gonna have to
responsibility
rebuild.
for such.
It's important to rebuild. Never give up. Never
That's
surrender.
what Space Engineers is all about. Taking them hits, taking them failures so that you can learn and
Take the
ultimately
blows
get to
so you can blow
ass.
later. Yeah. In the
That's what it's all about.
ceremony.
Alright, this is working now, so let me just...
Who are you inviting to your ass-to-ass ceremony? Just are you family members, or are you leaving it to
Family
just
first. Don't forget your family.
family first? Okay, yeah.
And then,
And do they partake, or do they just watch? What's the deal there?
that,
do you
unfortunately,
partake?
is...
Well, do they get involved? Do they partake?
It's not a ritual,
Oh,
like,
it is a ritual.
shared
Actually, it's
family.
ass to ass. Ass to. There's a chanting involved. That's a ritual.
That's a ritual, is it?
Yeah.
Right,
With
Smith,
a crowd of people chanting ass to ass.
I currently can't see what the connector's doing, so tell me when it looks like it's lined up, okay?
Okay. Looks good height-wise.
Right.
Are we good?
We can go... yeah, height-wise, that looks good. Let me try and...
That's
try and
basically
move
all I
it.
can do. I can only do up and down right now.
Okay.
See if you can slot in.
Oh, my God, the batteries have ran out again.
Can you
Is there
not-
another, surely there's a better solution to having to design this whole connectors thing to refill batteries. It's short term. No? Oh, you're just pushing it. Wait, no, that's not straight.
It's also still clipping, so I'm going to raise it a little bit more.
So glad you raised the amount in my
Roof.
backpack. I needed that
Yeah, you can basically
desperately. I picked up the
disassemble
entire ship there.
majority of your... Yeah.
That
I think
is
it's just
very well
quality
done.
of life. Quality of life.
Yeah,
improved.
it's just frustrating otherwise. A lot of tiny little visits, little trips back and
All
forth.
right, I've raised it a bit
Otherwise.
more. Give it a go. What is this? I think these blocks might be blocking.
Grind my tail off.
Okay.
Grind my butthole.
Hey, instead, bro, grind my asshole.
Okay.
Right.
Hey, bro. Hey, bro.
It's
Grind my ass.
not that I can trot.
Yeah.
Oh, boom! So that
You can
dock's
lock-
automatic. I don't even know.
No,
Or do I
it's
have to
that's a magnetic connection, but you still need to
Okay.
lock it into place for charge to happen. So press G,
I'm in the control panel. Yeah. Oh, G.
G or whatever control panel. Yeah. Well, how to get control panel?
Okay.
Look for all the white items. Those are on your vehicle. Look for the connector and drag that to your hotbar.
I think I've locked the connector now.
Mm-hmm. It's gone green, which means it's connected. You should be charging. Bottom right, does it say?
Or after which connector automatically unlocks. Oh, right. Okay. Strength. I'm going to turn that connector strength up a bit. Why not?
Turn off auto lock. It's kind of wait, is that on connectors or is that on?
Auto unlock.
Yeah, you don't want that. You just want on your hotbar like a switch lock, so that you just toggle
the
that.
hotbar isn't here at the moment. How do I move that to my hotbar?
Oh, close out of that and press G. And drag your connector to your hotbar.
Connector 1 or connector 2? There's 2 of them for some reason.
It's probably because you're connected to this base. Let me tell you. It's connector... It's just called connector.
Okay,
oh, no,
what
it's not.
do I
No,
want
it's
it to
not.
do?
Connector 2.
It's connector 2. And what do I want it to do?
Switch lock. So it switches between lock and unlock. When you press that button, it'll toggle.
Is there a charging one as well that I want it to do? Like tell
It should
to charge?
auto charge when it's locked.
Okay.
So if you try it out, it should go between green and yellow.
I'm at 2 days. Right,
Yeah.
ready.
Yeah, that's now disconnected. Yep. So you can drive away.
Yeah, that's charged. Awesome. Okay, so I'm nice and charged. My next question would be, how do I do the whole stop it from bouncing from 10 minutes to, like we said earlier, same problem.
So it would be the power draw that your wheels are
so
drawing.
is it the front wheels or back wheels? Right.
Have a look through them all and see if there's any that are really high. You'll just have to lower the power on them until you've
Strength?
got
Power, yeah.
probably power.
Front wheel power. Is it power supplied to propulsion is 50%, but I guess I'll take that down to like 10%.
Yeah,
that.
I think small batteries can't output too much.
Right.
A bigger battery, you'll be okay.
Okay. Right, yeah. I've reduced the draw. I just need to up the draw till it hits the maximum possible, I suppose.
Yeah, maximum efficiency, yeah.
Sweet.
So it stopped doing it, has it?
Yep.
Excellent.
I've only got 4 minutes of charge on full acceleration. 6 minutes. I know it's going up.
Yeah, at this stage, depending on how heavy your vehicle is, those small batteries might not be enough for a long-term rove.
What's that look like? Or long-term rove?
Full planet drive. So this planet, I think, is...
What do you think?
Let me have a look. I don't know how to actually look at it, but there you go. I think this planet is like an Earth-like planet, which is 120 kilometers in diameter. It's like one of the big ones. And that's like 25,000 meters squared of planet. Pretty big. Pretty beefy.
That is quite
you caught me charging.
Oh.
They caught me
You're
charging.
looking at me charging up privately.
Are we out of ice? I think we're out of
Is there a way to turn off a vehicle so it doesn't use power?
no.
Yeah,
Yeah, why?
I think so. Well, because he needs to know.
Yeah, it's
Be
pretty obvious.
really careful doing that connected to the base.
Right.
Because when you're connected to the base, technically you become one grid. And when you press Y, you turn off the entire base.
Oh.
You
That's
don't
quite
need
a risk.
you don't need to turn it off when you're connected anyway, because it will be charging. So, and
Okay.
also be careful with the parking brake thing. That also messes up when you're connected to the big grid.
Oh, God. I mean, I'm not going to remember that, but I will try.
Just don't press P and don't press Y when you're connected to the grid.
Trot, can you build some cryo chambers now? Please.
Yes, I just need to find a way to connect them because they need conveyors to them as well. It's quite a mess, this whole sitch right now. I'm tempted to rebuild, make it look a little nicer. But for now, I'll botch it. I'll botch it until it's good.
I'm building a small cruiser. Just to
Excellent.
test some stuff out. Nothing crazy. I guess we need to start thinking about payloads and whether we want pods that break
Ooh.
off and then
Oh,
can
that'd be
be
nuts.
used in space. I guess our plan was to get to a space station, right? Or build a space station.
Build a space
if you
station
will.
of our own so we can go to and
above,
from.
so that we can then, we can travel between from here to there, and then from there to the moon and or anywhere else.
Yes.
But I'm just messing with things here. Well, maybe I can create some sort of hamster ball design that takes the hits, you know. Because
just
I need something
rolls.
that.
Whatever.
Well, yeah. I
That's
mean,
its defense
considering
mechanism
how
is to
good the hypodermic needle was in preventing me from blowing up immediately, a cage makes a little bit of sense, but
yeah,
it might be a big old pain in the butt to do.
Well,
so
definitely sounds
I'll see
like
what I
it'll
can
work.
try.
Don't try, just do.
Probably should have lifted this higher up to do that, though.
Tell him, Smith.
I'll build a halo. It's fine. Tell me.
Don't try, just do. Don't think, just do.
Don't think, just do.
Don't do,
That's
just
our
think.
motto. Ah, wait, have I done this wrong? No, it's okay. Wait, have I done this wrong? Yeah, I'm dummy. God, I'm so dummy thick.
Dummy thick. Like a chicken nugget on a lollipop stick.
Dummy thick.
It's Chris Trott right there.
Actually, I can be smarter about this. Come on, Chris Trott, use your brain.
Trott
Come
walking
on.
around them Ren Fair turkey legs. Know what I mean?
No, what does that mean?
Trott, you got them Ren Fair turkey legs.
What does that mean?
Ren Fair turkey.
You know, like Renaissance Fair turkey legs. Like, you know, like we like
the chunky legs.
times at like medieval times and stuff.
Yeah.
Really big turkey legs that people eat. Have you not seen them
Oh, yes.
in media or anywhere? No, you might not have seen them in reality.
I don't think so.
But they're chunky. Yeah, they're cartoony.
Right.
It is one of the ones I'm thinking.
Why
of.
do I have those legs?
Because you're dummy thick.
Ah,
That's
of course. Gotcha. Why is my hydrogen not? Uh-oh. Where's that O2? H2 generate. Let's have a look at it. Uh-oh, we're out of ice. No jetpacks
What does
for
this
us.
mean for our... Oh no.
Oh, ice is just gone. That's it now. That's the end of the
That's
ice.
been an integral ingredient
we're done
for
with
us.
ice.
Good God, we ignored that like the rest of the world ignores climate change.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah,
wait,
the
no,
ice-
no more ice.
Oh, now
It's
there's
too
no
late.
more ice.
Oh. What do we do now? Oh, we're actually kind of screwed. Oh. Oh, right, okay.
Oh,
But what do we actually do
I
now?
wish you'd acted on
Oh.
this earlier before all the ice was gone.
It wasn't my problem until right now.
Yeah, that's true.
So why should I worry about it?
For this. We can't blame ourselves.
Yeah, it's not.
No,
Oh,
we
Time
shouldn't.
for the Earth
It's
to
not
get
healthy.
more
It's not healthy. We should learn to forgive ourselves.
yeah, it's just.
We need to
Yeah.
forgive ourselves for the terrible things.
I forgive myself.
Action.
I kind of
makes me
put this
feel better.
on everyone else not warning us early enough, actually,
Or vigorously enough.
or telling us enough. Even though we may have dismissed them in the past, I think they should have been louder. So,
Yeah.
Yeah. It was their fault, I think, really.
Their
I felt
fault.
the jetpacks were
Tiny
overrated.
mouse voices. Tiny
Yeah.
mouse
I
voice.
didn't like the ability to fly.
Yeah.
Wasn't-
No, I didn't like it anyway. In
Oh,
fact,
no.
it just cramped my style.
Interior plates.
I
need
feel
a
like
little-
flying is only cool if other people can't do it.
Agreed.
Has has the piston, the thing changed tight slightly? Having
No, I don't
struggling
think so.
trying to get ass to ass with it at the moment.
Oh,
so
let me lower it a bit.
Oh, you're struggling with the ass to ass.
inch, just an
That's a
inch. Or
shame.
two.
Okay.
I now feel like
Uh,
every precious jet flight I do is going to be gone soon. And it hurts me.
try that.
Okay, we've got a
Yeah.
remedial cage.
Too high. Lower it down a bit more, please.
Just do underneath it, really.
Did you lower it?
I think so.
Still needs to go a little way. Nearly.
Why is
Wait,
it not
hold on.
going? Oh, I think I'm affecting the wrong piston. It's not changed this whole time. That's entirely
right.
placebo. What you just experienced then was complete placebo.
Right.
What? How did that feel?
Well,
Felt real. Did it
felt
feel real?
like you weren't achieving what I was wanting you to achieve, but I presumed that you were making the increments, so I went along with it, if I'm honest.
You went along with it, which is
Oh.
scary,
So
right?
It was
Yeah, it's scary.
tolerate. Well, because Trot, in the past, when I don't tolerate your mistakes, you know, it ends up going bad for me in the long run. So Here we go. This looks great. Brilliant. You're the best. Okay, that didn't work.
It's
Is that
locked.
in? We're in. We're in.
You're locked. Yeah.
I think in part that might have been my fault for not locking, but it's a better alignment now. So there we go. Perfect. Look at that little chart. Well, not that perfect. There's a clear gap, Trot. This doesn't look safe. You telling me energy's going?
It's fine. It's wireless. It's Tesla-esque.
This is wireless, is it?
Yeah. DC.
Perfect. Have you seen the new Tesla Model S's?
Yeah, the interior looks great, doesn't it?
It looks like a 60s retro future style.
Yeah.
You know what they design with that whole horizontal Formula One style steering wheel and stuff like that. I think it's pretty cool. I'd buy one. Once my stonks go up.
Yeah.
Once you make big money on them stonks, Trot, you'll be Teslas be falling out your pockets.
Exactly.
Just gotta wait for your stonks to go up because they're still £120,000 for the top spec one, which is you know a great car, but it's still extremely luxury.
Why?
It's the cost of a small.
This one's in cooperative mode and it's not helping the other one, which is annoying. Is it because they're not like next to each other? There's one there, and there's one somewhere else. I don't know where the other one is. There? No. Here. Oh, they're literally touching, so I don't understand why they're not helping each other out. How's it going, Ross? Oh, look at that.
Built this
dome.
Kind of land. Yeah, it's a protective dome.
I like it.
I need a bit more steel. Basically, just to protect it from any real damage.
Yeah, he's
slightly different design.
Mark II.
Ramping things up slightly. Yeah, Mark II. Are we out of hydrogen completely, guys? Just so I can just
it's gone.
mourn that idea.
The ice is gone.
Yeah, never mind. Never mind. I didn't want it anyway. Didn't need it anyway.
You didn't need it. You didn't need it.
Didn't need it. Yeah.
If anything,
Waste
we're
of time.
making our change now. We're adapting.
We're better off without it.
The environment is important to us now, and we're showing that we don't need it. Those frivolous extra luxuries.
I hate ice. If I see it, it makes
me too. I wouldn't
I
mind
think it's
if
actually
it
damaging
turned
the
up.
environment. I don't know about you.
Yeah.
The ice was certainly making
Yeah.
it colder, wasn't it? Too cold.
It's making it harder for the sun to warm us up.
Stop. Just
stop.
Stop it. Ron, no.
It's always wrong.
My fucking... Oh! It was
Can't help
coming.
himself.
It was about to happen. It's fine. Whatever.
Wrong.
Whatever. Yeah?
He doesn't even care anymore.
I don't care. Alright?
Deep down he does though. Just in this moment.
Forget it. Okay, right. I'm going to get in.
I need an interior plate.
That's good for you.
Okay, let's get our thrusters correct. Although I need probably thrusters to turn left and right. Yes, that's what I need. Get out of the ship. Idiot.
Not having these jetpacks is a little annoying, I will say.
Oh, it's massively annoying. don't say it out loud.
Oh,
they'll know.
I'm fine with it.
Look, we didn't need them. We never needed them.
We never needed that.
We never needed them. It was just
I don't
frivolous.
Need them now,
it was a waste.
So there's nowhere on this planet we can find ice then? I guess.
Oh
we need
yeah,
to go and look up.
there's plenty.
Don't mention it.
Look at that snow-capped mountain over there. That's where you can get some ice. There's also ice lakes.
I will go mining for ice.
Excellent. Go have a
I just
roam.
need one large steel tube.
Might be worth you whacking an ore detector on this bad boy so it pops up on your HUD when you're nearby to something.
Would it come up? Would ice come up on it?
Yeah, ice is... Yeah, any sort of resource. It will pop up when you're in range.
What do I have to do?
Just build a ore detector from your G menu.
Hmm.
And if you place it on, it will just work and show up on your HUD when you're near stuff. Fingerscrossed.com.
Is that a website now?
I'm sure it is. I guarantee you that exists.
.com.
It does take a lot of power though, Smith, so maybe it's worth turning it on and off. Or maybe just using your eyes.
I might just go up to the snow-capped mountain and see what I can see. Need
Good
an
luck.
interior plate.
I can't get up there.
Oh, build plan is empty.
What's a basic block? There it is. I need a jetpack.
Put to production.
Functional. That's all that matters. Function. No.
First one.
Damn it. God, I miss ice. I took it for granted.
Don't say it.
Okay, I'm going out. That's it. I can't I can't take it any longer. I can't bear to see my family go without ice. In their drink. I'll be back.
It was just for our drinks.
Good luck to you.
Thank
you. Good luck.
Our beverages haven't been the same since.
There goes our hero. Watch him as he won't return.
Just looking at the charge consumption here and thinking,
uh-oh.
Car's a one-way trip. You guys will have to, I'll bring back the ice and you'll have to help me retrieve my car.
Ah, curse.
I mean, I've got 100 hydrogen right now, so I can get some distance. Not a great distance.
Well, you've been holding out. You got hydrogen on you.
Yeah, I've got it on me.
This guy? You had it the whole time.
This guy. Yeah.
I can't believe this.
I regret nothing.
He's got some hydrogen on him. He's got some jetpack left.
No.
Yeah.
You wouldn't do this to us, would you, Ross?
I got 50% as well, if I'm honest.
What? You're both holding out?
Oh, what
we were holding out, yeah.
I can't believe it.
Okay, here we go. We've got thrusters all around. Now, time to set everything up. So, just get all these on a group. Thrusters.
No, I'm guessing that's the right place to go. On the top of a mountain.
The snow itself will be compacted ice, yeah. You can just literally mine it. So, maybe go to the lowest point. Because it gets a bit treacherous on those hills. And we know what rovers are like, flipping and stuff. Am I right?
We're looking at a launch of...
You are right, Trot.
I'm going to launch.
Yeah.
He's going to launch.
I'm going to lift her up. We are disengaging.
I'm ready to watch.
Are on.
It's exciting times. We are a go for launch. Your
power's off. Power's back on again. Thrusters, are they on?
Your landing gear looks like it's red. Oh.
I've disengaged.
Is there enough power? Oh,
maybe not.
What's up with your landing gear? Is it toggled off?
It is toggled off right now, yeah. Maybe I don't need to change the setting on it.
You need to turn it on. Instead of landing gear toggling on and off, you need it to switch lock.
Switch lock.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, here we go.
But you need to turn it back on as well. So maybe in the control panel, turn it on.
Yeah, I need to just remove from toolbars, put that back on. Let's go. Switch lock.
That's the one.
Do you have to add dampeners? Because they ain't working.
No, they don't work on a rover.
I'm unable to. I'm having a lock issue with my.
Roger that.
My landing gear.
This terminal's not connected to any ship. What? Oh god, I'm stuck. Okay. What is? It's all turned off with Y. Okay. It's on now. Why is it saying you're not connected to any ship? Can you... Oh, there you go. He's off.
There we go.
So fast.
We have liftoff.
Lift. It's like a drone. Oh, no.
It is.
Oh, no.
So as you can see, can we turn right? It's kind of doesn't turn. Kind of just... Maybe I need to turn off my dampeners to turn.
You might have to. Although you will just...
We can get
fall out
high.
the sky without tapping space.
I wanna see that high.
You can see here we are. We're off. We're floating around.
Where'd you go? Be careful about going anywhere near red markers.
Guys, I'm getting slightly
Yeah, I'm
concerned.
just desperately trying to turn.
I set off 4 is really far away.
Uh-oh. For the ice,
on.
though.
Let's turn those dampeners back on.
By
I'm not sure I've got to. I mean, it says I've got 2 hours charge, but obviously because of the various load you put on each wheel, it goes up and down quite a lot.
We'll make a statue of you, made out of ice.
I'm going to try and increase the power.
Turn. No turning in this.
Do you have
It's just
gyros, Ross? Do you have a gyro
I
on
have.
there?
Oh shit! No, I forgot to put a gyro on. I'm just floating.
You're just floating
Shit.
using
This
the
is
base
the worst.
thrusters.
I need to get back.
Nothing is controlling them.
Nothing is set. It's just up and listing forwards. I need to get out of
gyros,
here.
Smith, you might be able to use dampers.
Right, what I could do is I could land it here and maybe drive up here to deliver a gyro, but
That's hilarious.
okay.
Maybe I can get
We're
the
gonna have
resources
to
for a gyro for you and just
Power
whack
off.
one
Power
up.
off.
Okay, we flying now.
Excellent.
Okay. We are.
Oh, I didn't want to do that.
We are going downhill. The gyro. God, I knew I'd forget something.
There's 2 risky missions going on right now.
Yes.
One is a Mark II ship.
I'm
and
upside
Smith,
down.
Smith is upside down.
I'm almost 4 kilometers away
Is there a foot
in the hills.
If you didn't add one, Smith, there isn't one.
No.
You have to dig yourself
Do we have a
out.
rover, by the way? Anywhere?
Smith's, yes, is currently flipped.
Can you get to me to flip it over?
No,
Oh,
no,
yeah.
it's not. It's not a case of. Oh, what your rover?
Can you build a device that just flips me?
Where did my? Where did it go? Am I in a dangerous area? Does there stuff to spawn here?
Likely. Be
What?
careful.
What do you mean likely? Be careful. Has it just disappeared? No. Oh fuck me. I thought it rolled down the hill and disappeared. It's here.
Oh my
I need to make a
God.
marker. Panicking. Oh, it is slowly. It is slowly going downhill though.
Oh, no.
There's no brakes on this bad boy, and this is a downhill.
This isn't
Dig
good.
a hole
This
on
is
one
great.
side. Excellent. I will do
How
it.
do I? Yeah. How do I set a marker again? Is it it's K and then
bring up the menu
GPS.
GPS, then new from current position.
New from current position. Okay. We'll call this crashed drone 1. Do I press enter? Is that it?
I noticed you didn't call it Project Failure 1.
We can't do that yet. It's not done. It's still there. It's still possible. I just need to add a couple of things, tweak a couple of things, and I'll point out that majority of the thrusters are actually fine. Actually, all of them are fine. So my protective cage, actually no, one of them's fucked. My protective cage managed to work quite well, apart from one. I think that's a success. I don't know about you.
I'm going to
Official,
call that
right?
a success.
Yeah. I crash landed and only one of my thrusters out of how many have I got? 8 was buggered then. So
Oh! It seems to have worked.
Hey,
Getting this thing out by just digging the ground around it.
look at this guy thinking of his
Smithy boy
numbers.
for that tip.
oh my god, the jetpack
Yep.
is life. The jetpack is life. Get that ice.
Get that goddamn ice.
The
love
jetpack
it.
is so useful.
Everything that is holy.
No, don't
Managed to fly back so quickly. Wait, this is an unknown signal. Well, where am I going?
Not to the base. That's for sure.
Ugh. Crash site, own signals, scrap rover, Rosprey 1,
God, this is ugly.
respawn pod, crash drone. So many things, so many markers. Respawn pod.
On the way back to ice. Sis.
Hey. Wait, what? What does that end bit there?
I'm in the mountains, Trot. Why do you think I'm in the mountains? Who lives in the mountains?
Yetis.
The terrorists, Trot.
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh, I'm bouncing off of the hillside. I should die. I'm not dead.
There goes our hero.
Dwarves. Trolls. There must be an awful lot of trolls and dwarves in Afghanistan that the Americans really hate.
Medical components.
We found a dwarven complex, sir. Ah, okay. Hit it with a bunker buster. That'd be an excellent anti-dwarf weapon.
If you find any silver deposits while you're out there, that would be useful.
Well, you know, when you were talking about that ore scanner, Trot.
Yeah.
I forgot about that little conversation. I don't have an ore scanner, but if I physically see one, if I walk upon it,
physically look at and see one, yes,
I will mine it.
Brilliant. Also, if you get out your mining drill, it's kind of like a mini ore detector. It will show stuff in the vicinity, very close to you, though. So you could.
Oh no! Oh, up the hill we go. No problem. No problem for this plucky little rover.
Ross, do you need help? Are you anywhere
I'm
near
lost.
the base?
I'm kind of lost as to which one. There's so many markers now that I'm just confused as to which one. Is it Scrap
K.
Rover / Ross Brew 1?
No, it's I Like the Base.
Oh,
do you have that one?
No.
All right, let me.
I must have
give it to you. There it is.
There it is. Nice. Okay.
Just double click all the other ones, and you'll just have that one. Or maybe obviously where your current
crash drone
site is. Yeah, that's important. You can delete all the rest, in fact, if you don't like them.
Okay.
I assume the Scrap Rover is scrapped now, so we don't have any other rovers because Smith modified. Uh-oh.
Whoa, fine. I just did a perfect front flip. Don't even worry about it.
Well, I wasn't at all. I had full faith.
Like getting up into these mountains is like Mordor. Like it's pretty hard to navigate.
Apparently, it was quite the flip.
Was it?
Yeah, people are very impressed.
Wow. Oh, I'll do it again then.
Does anyone know? On this menu on the bottom right, Space Engineer, there's a hack line. What does that mean? Underneath functional. Metal grids. What do they? Oh, they need cobalt. We don't have cobalt. I can't build this.
So far away.
We're low on.
Tesla's got all the cobalt in the world, isn't it?
Huh?
Tesla. They've got all the cobalt. That's why. Ripping it out of the ground using African child labor and building it in the cars that we were lauding earlier.
Brilliant.
Oh, they're amazing, aren't they?
You can hack enemy machines up to the hack line. That's the damage it has to be at for an enemy to be able to control it. Wow.
I feel like I was probably better off just dying.
Boys, I'm at the snow line. I'm here. I've hit snow.
Amazing.
He's hit snow.
Amazing.
10k away these mountains were, turns out.
10k? Right, do you have enough battery to get back?
Yes. Yeah.
You're going to... Don't forget, once you load up, there's going to be extra weight on your vehicle.
Well, I'm only going to be able to carry it on my person, so does that count in the vehicle as well?
I think that actually might be a workaround. Smart.
Right. I'm mining snow right now.
Yeah.
How do I tell if it's ice? Yep, ice.
Brilliant.
Jump off a cliff.
Brilliant.
I need to die.
How much is a lot? I'll just fill myself up, I guess.
Like,
getting brimmed.
5 to 6k would be amazing. 9k would be phenomenal.
Okay.
It will last us a good while before we have to, worry about it again.
Before I have to make the same lonely drive.
But by then we should have space-age stuff, right?
That would be beautiful if I could actually make that work.
Ross will be in Mark 10 of his ship.
Yeah.
Perfect flying every time. No more.
Like, I have a ship that's perfectly fine. It honestly just needs a little tweaking here and there.
Just a couple of tweaks. Just a
couple of tweaks. Come on, I'm trying to kill myself right now. It's dark, but
that's
it's not helping.
Pretty dark, Ross.
I've run out of hydrogen, and I'm 1.8 kilometers away. It's just so far.
I mean,
to travel on foot.
A good way of getting stuff. You're going to lose your items, but you might be able to recover them.
Am I?
You might be able to recover them if you just fly back. You'll be alright. You'll be alright, Johnner.
So maybe it's worth just building another flying machine over there, like a tiny one-seating buggy.
You know what?
Maybe then attaching it to it.
It's always fun making
using
more
those
ships.
Resources. It is, but
we've got the resources.
I know my fuel's critical. Tell me my fuel's critical. It was 0.
Fuel. It's critical.
You should do something about your fuel.
You stupid man.
Your fuel is making you look silly.
I've got 7.5k of ice.
Amazing.
Soon, man, the Iceman come.
The Iceman cometh.
Right.
It's like Milkman, but for ice. Everyone's
It's
always
just
happy
like
to see the Milkman.
Milkman.
My mum was so happy to see the Milkman every time.
Is she really? Why is that?
3
I
point.
don't
Did he
know.
look like you?
They
Do you
must
reckon
be
he
good
looked a little
friends.
bit like you?
He did. Weirdly.
That's strange, isn't it?
Just like you. Ultra sexy. Oh. Oh, I just took a big hit. Let's hope this thing still
Wow.
works after I land.
Oh,
Oh,
no.
jeez.
Oh, jeez.
That's not good.
Oh, jeez. Oh, no.
Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez.
Oh, dear.
Holy tomatoes.
Thank you.
I can hear the breathing of my guy.
I just had to press backspace to
shit.
respawn.
Oh.
I didn't realise that before.
Oh, me neither.
Beautiful.
TIL.
Right.
Oh, no,
Well, that helped. So where is that ship? 4.2
Uh-oh.
kilometers that way.
What's wrong,
I've got
Smith?
explosions.
Oh, no.
I hear something. A
There's a
whispering.
ship 2 kilometers hovering above us, by the way. I don't know whether that means anything. But
Is it red?
lose.
Is it
Oh,
red?
that's why. Quite a few of my batteries. Yeah, it is red. Yeah.
Yeah, that's bad. It means they don't like us.
Oh.
Right.
What are they going to do about it? Is my real question.
Probably hurt us, Ross.
Whoa, 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 whoa. No, I don't like it. Why is that?
Yeah.
Why are they going to hurt us? What did we do?
If they're pirates, probably.
Pirates?
Yeah.
What, like Jack Sparrow? No.
Just like
No, I
Jack
can't-
Sparrow. As charismatic and lovable. Certainly not like the ones in that film with Tom Hanks.
Very different pirates.
Yeah, very different.
Very different, isn't it?
Yeah,
If Jack Sparrow
but he was the captain, so he is the captain
I
now.
don't want to be
That's fair enough.
a pirate now.
it's not as fun as it.
No. Let's just get this out the way.
That's what I want to build. I want to build.
Lovely.
I
Oh,
get
that's why.
thrusters.
There's crap
Maybe I
on
should have
the
put
floor.
wheels on my drone so I could land and then just drive away. I don't know. Is that? Yeah, that could work.
It works, Ross.
It's
Let no one judge you.
kilometers away. Okay.
I
I'm
tend
I'm
to
basically
think
building the same thing to go collect the same thing.
autonomous. It's not a drone. It's not a drone.
It's not a drone.
It's
You're right.
embarrassing. It's embarrassing.
It's a quad.
It's only embarrassing if you let it be embarrassing, Trot. Don't
It
let
is,
it be
yeah.
embarrassing.
Don't
Forget
let
it.
embarrassing.
Sorry.
Stop letting it embarrass you, Trot. Everyone's laughing at you.
I'm embarrassed. And it's all because of you.
Why are you talking like that?
This is the way I talk.
That's the
Do
way
you know the way I talk?
you chose to talk like that now.
Suddenly he doesn't like the way I talk.
I really don't, actually. No, I'm not a fan.
I don't know whether I'm digging my way out or just digging this thing a grave, but I'm gonna get it out.
Little column A,
Something
little column B.
exploded.
Put a door here. Oh, it's going to be lovely.
Yeah,
You guys are going
okay.
to love what I've done with the place when I've done it, which is not anytime soon. It's going to be a long time, actually. You're not going to see any of the fruits of my labour for a long time.
And that's fine.
Good.
That's the way most of these projects go.
In the bin.
In the bin.
In a bin. yeah.
Unfinished. Completely unfinished.
It was an idea, and that's all that counts. You had an idea.
He's thought
So
about
what?
it.
It didn't work out.
Get over it.
Mm-hmm.
At least
Get
you
over
thought about it.
yourself.
At least you thought about it.
Clown.
You guys sound like that. Who's the guy that used to be in a lot of British gangster films, that's now on like Betfair adverts all the time?
You mean? Wait.
The guy that
Who
looked
do
at
you
his
mean?
own ancestry
Not Danny Dyer.
recently. Danny Dyer.
Not Danny Dyer, no.
No. Okay.
Shane
Vinny-
Ritchie.
not Vinny Jones.
Vinny Jones? Is it Vinny?
Vinnie Jones.
Ray Winston.
I'm
It's not
jogging
Ray-
up, bitch!
Ray Winston.
It's
Oh,
Ray
yes, of course.
Winston. But they use the same thing where they're just like, oh, come on. Clearly it's not, it's gambling still, obviously, but come on, you might as well fucking do it,
I
Have
like,
a
know you're
flutter.
entitled to PPE.
I just
PPE.
really
Knob.
like that method of talking to people. It
Don't
just
be a knob. Sort it out.
Don't be a knob. Wear PPE.
Don't do it with us, though. Don't do it with anyone else. Don't be a knob.
We just need to float over there. Left and right.
When you wish.
When's it going to be daytime? Is this like a full night cycle or something?
2 hours, I think.
Oh, this thing is really in here now. Gonna have to really take away half this mountain before. I'm just gonna smooth the mountain flat instead of digging this thing out, I think. So it'll be
Fair
quicker.
enough. Just skim the top.
Yeah.
This looks pretty good.
Ding ding. Ding 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 ding.
Bang 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 bang. Bang 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 ding 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 wing ding swing ding swing
Thrusters,
ding,
thrusters, thrusters. We've got the thrusters for you.
Come on down to thrusters, thrusters, thrusters.
Is there an easy way to get rid of grass?
It's easy to say. Sorry?
Is there an easy way to get rid of grass? I want to know, rather than just mining the ground.
Don't deal with grasses.
We don't grass it.
Oh, he likes a grass, Trot.
We don't grass.
Get out of here.
You're talking at your butthole.
You're talking out your ass, aren't you? You're using your anus to make it work.
Oh,
Hello.
like a canary. Tweeting like a canary, your butthole is. Make it stop.
My name's Chris. It's very, it's not very good at making words, but he somehow worked out how to speak with the opening of his asshole.
Oh my
Hello.
Jesus. It must sound like inhuman to be able to speak out your ass.
Well, have you seen that South Park episode?
Okay.
Where it's literally just those buttholes. Do you remember that one? It's just butt
No,
cheeks
I
for
don't
faces.
remember that, no.
It's really funny. Quite dumb.
Ross, I don't know if you noticed, but I don't keep up to date with TV series. Or even remember them
have
when I
noticed,
have
yeah.
watched them.
It's okay.
Well, I have seen all of WandaVision, so that's pretty good.
It's all out now.
3 episodes, yes.
Oh!
I think he's having a tough time out of it, out of that rover.
Probably doesn't help that I made it top heavy.
So
He's
is
got
it
a battery.
factoring in that your weight?
Nah, I put some armor over the top of the battery section because that's what exploded. But I think it's probably just served to make it even more top heavy.
Yeah. What you can do is if you press K when you're in your cockpit, go to info, you can turn on show center of mass, and it will show like the wheel center of mass, but also the whole ship center of mass with like a little yellow crosshair. See where it is.
Where does it show that? I'm in
back
the cockpit 3.
Just press K, go to info tab, turn on show center of mass.
Info, right. Oh, it's already on apparently.
Is it though? It might just be highlighted, not selected.
Oh, it is, so you're right. It was just highlighted and not selected. What the fuck? Why has it got 3 different states? Unselected, highlighted, and selected. Who the hell designed this thing? Why would you do that? Oh yeah,
check
no,
the
it's
box.
not on, it's not off. Oh,
Because some people are on console, and I think it's the console feature when you're like going through the list up and down with your D-pad.
right. I see.
There you go. There's your answer.
Just metal grid 1. I thought I had metal grids. Metal
Metal
grids, damn you!
Metal grids are going to be tough to come by nowadays because they require cobalt, and we are in short supply of that.
Doing all the wrong things, Trump.
I am saying all the wrong things, but they're necessary wrong things, so that we can make them right again. Very unhappy about this grass business.
Just, yeah, metal grids is... That's all
They
I need.
require
now.
cobalt, that's the problem.
That's it, yep. Okay.
cobalt is usually deeper under where iron is. So if you find an iron deposit, it'll be kind of under that, usually. It's a good rule of thumb.
Need to build a battery. I'm nothing without those grids. Maybe I should just destroy this one and just find my luck.
Is there a way to flatten out terrain nicely? There's got to be mods, right? Terraforming. Don't make me do this every time. Make me very unhappy.
I don't think I'm ever getting this out.
Oh no.
Stuck.
It's so stupid how hard this is. Oh my god. I just dug like deeper and deeper into the side of this goddamn hill. And it's just sat on the side of its tires. Why can't I interact with it? Why can't I knock it over this way or something? Like,
You don't just be stuck.
Screwed.
Just give it a
We're
moment.
never going to make it to the moon like this.
I can't just put a gyro on it. I don't have the materials to build a fucking gyro out here. Jesus.
Good point. I do need to build a gyro at some point. That's the key to my ship's success. It's a gyro.
It is, Ross.
What does it
Especially
require?
for ships.
Especially for ships.
No, that should not be a song.
Especially for ships.
No, I'm not okay with that.
I need a battery as well. Doesn't matter where it is. Probably not. Screw it.
You're right.
You're going there.
Goddamn lawnmower. Why do I have to mine the ground to get rid of grass? That's my question. I just want to make this hangar look pretty.
Is there anything I can destroy to get a metal grid?
Yeah.
I need a couple, just a couple of them.
Just a couple.
Just a
Well,
couple.
let's see.
Just tide me over till next time. I promise it's the last.
If you look at stuff with the welder, you'll see what it's built out of. Not these. Not these. No metal. Oh, there's 34 in this one. Break down this med thing at the back here that's not even complete. Back here. Turn around. Turn around.
Where you at? Oh, you're there. Right there.
Harvest this. There's 34 in there.
This thing.
Yeah.
Oh, yes. Give it to me.
We don't need this right now.
I want it now. Give me your
Do
goose
you
eggs.
have them? Did it actually give you them?
It did.
Excellent.
Take you up. We won't need to do any safety tests. We don't like that here.
What do you mean we're not like that here?
We don't do the tests here.
Why not?
We're not about testing. That's just not what. It's not what we're about.
Why not?
We just
That's
do
insane.
things.
What do you mean
No,
we just do things?
it's not insane. It's
That's
rational.
crazy.
It's normal.
That's absolutely not
No,
normal.
we're insane. No, it's absolutely fine.
I can't believe you're just...
I need power cells. What? What am I doing wrong? Huh?
Everything. That's not right.
And this isn't about you or I.
Fuel critical.
It's about rules and breaking them.
I feel like it totally should be about you and I, and not
No.
just about rules.
No.
No?
No.
No?
You don't know. You don't understand.
That's clearly.
Time to build some batteries.
Patois.
One single battery to salvage my other wreckage.
You did fly off.
Do you need a gyrosmith as well? Should I build one and then try and fly to you?
If you
Yeah,
want.
good idea.
I might be out by then. I've made a little bit of progress by taking the wheels. I mean, it doesn't look like progress. There are 3 less wheels, but I'm
I'm going to build a
trying.
second gyro then. And I'll once I've sorted my mission,
Okay.
I can come and try and save you.
Mountain rescue op.
It may not work out. Please, do not get your hopes up.
I probably should have helped and built a rescue ship of my own.
I'm sure you've been doing other useful things, like building the cryo.
Yeah, those are done. Well,
Is that done now?
2 of 3.
Why would we need cobalt for it or ice?
For the med bay, which is an upgraded survival kit, which charges our suits and stuff faster, but it's unnecessary right now. But we will need cobalt for more grids, which Ross needs for his ships. If he wants to get Mark IV off the ground, you know.
Is this the right wheel?
Is it not
How do I tell what kind of wheel something is? A 1x1 wheel. Is there a way to use the scale of it? Oh, jeez.
It's either small grid or large grid. You want small grid. Bottom at the bottom of your screen, you'll see the square, and then the square with like a quarter square in it. That's small grid, but large grid indicator.
Yeah, this doesn't look like the right wheel.
If you look at if it's still built in the world, you can look at it with a welder, and it'll tell you what block it is.
Wheel 3x3. I see. Okay. Wheel 3x3. In you go.
Wait, how much to build a gyro?
How much?
How much did you just say? Oh, no.
I can't believe it. Rip off.
If I put 2 gyros on my thing, is that reckless? Is that dumb?
Not
Does that
necessarily.
affect
No.
the build, or does it
think
help if anything? Is it
Yeah, it might help.
further?
If anything. I don't see that's reckless.
Thank you. I don't
On the
know.
K menu, there's a button to add a wheel to the wheel suspension.
Oh yes. If the wheel is popped off for whatever reason, you can just do it in the control panel. Add wheel. If it's got the space to do so.
I'd say it has the space, but it's not doing it. So do I not have to pay for construction costs or anything?
Sure.
It's probably worth taking some interior plates and steel plates.
Okay, right. Let's put the like schematic thing there.
Ding, ding.
Right, 1 wheel done.
Hey.
Now maybe I can actually use this. Is this enough?
Never enough.
Is it enough?
Right.
I don't need this many motors. So many motors.
Get your motor running. Head out on the highway.
God.
Jesus.
What?
He's looking for adventure.
Looking for adventure. Whatever comes
Right, I'm ready to launch
way.
my mini project here.
Oh no!
We have a gyro. You're not ready? Okay.
Fuck's sake!
That's absolutely fine. I'll
Oh.
give it some time.
I am not right-clicking with the drill. That will create such a huge hole. That I'm trying to make a gentle slope, not a big boy slope. So I want that to go.
Go with groups here. We'll be using thrusters here. Of course, that'll be a toggle on-off system. The landing gear, of course, will be switch lock. Gyros. We'll have a gyro. I don't know why I need that on or off, but I'll toggle it on and off if I need to. Battery, just in case. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we'll be launching. Weather is foggy. Very foggy. Thrusters are on. We are ready to launch. We're up.
Thrusters are launch and ready to
And
launch,
as you can
launch,
see,
launch.
we're actually...
What the fuck am I stuck on now? I think I'm just falling into the world
I
now.
don't really have... Kind of need to lean forwards to... Flying this thing so... just feels so flimsy.
Where are you?
I'm in space! No, I'm heading towards
I'd be
the crash
impressed.
site.
He's making progress.
Yeah, the key is I've got to kind of lean really far forwards to go forwards. You see.
Ross to the rescue, though. You could save all of us, Ross.
It's the worst weather conditions you could probably imagine.
It's very foggy right now.
For flying.
Be careful.
I actually can't see the mountain in front of me.
You picked a good time
Dampeners are on. It's looking sunny over the hill, over the crest. Crack of dawn over there. You see it cracking through. Crack of dawn. Okay, we'll be trying to balance and stabilize ourselves. The important thing here is to not overshoot. I've overshot.
Now, one thing to remember, very important, just do not overshoot. Cannot be overstated. I've overshot.
I've overshot. I've done it. I've done the thing that I was quite frankly dreading. We're pressing 2 intermittently just to release some of that pressure. And okay, power is power off. Be flicking the thrusters on and off until we come to a soft, gentle landing.
Cheery corn, cheery oats, cheery rice and wheat.
Okay, we're gently getting there. Very gentle.
Cheery 4 green Cheerios, cheery good to eat.
I had to cancel out on that one. That was a really risky maneuver at speeds I couldn't even compute.
You can't think that fast.
Just gently.
He should not be flying that
thrusting
fast.
that way. We'll be
cheery good to
landing
eat.
shortly. Don't worry, the landing will be clean, clear, and under control.
Very nice. Clear a sill.
We're going to go through our sponsor in a minute. And a gentle drop.
They're delicious. And
It is a gentle drop.
delicious.
Thrusters are off. Are we floating? Thrusters off. I do have a second. Wait, I'm just turning the gyro off. There we go. The thrusters are off. There we go. Gyro 1 was going off, but I have 2 gyros attached for
That's wild.
reasons I can't explain to NASA.
He's not going to explain.
I've
them.
just got a spare. Okay. We're making progress. Very gently.
Rotor there.
Approaching the
And then
rover now. Here it is. It's a very gentle approach. We can't go any harder than this, otherwise we will create issues. Very gentle, 20 meters away.
very gentle.
We're looking good. Oh, we're gaining height. That's not good.
Oh, they need
thrusters
medical
off.
things.
Thrusters on.
Wait.
Thrusters off. Thrusters on.
Wait.
Off, on. Off, on. Off. And we're down. We are in a nice rolling position here. Beautiful. What a landing.
Sounds like it's going well.
We are. We've landed. I've landed.
Cut to Alex Smith.
Why are you... What's he doing? What's happening over there, Smith?
I think the power's just ran out in my thing, so now I definitely can't get it out. Guess I'll just start walking.
Oh, no, you
Ross
don't
is-
need to,
Ross
because I
is
can
gonna
come over and
rescue you.
save the day. Do you need power? Because I've got
Here
2...
comes to save the day.
Right, what I'll do is I'm going to remove one of these gyros and attach it to my ship.
Have you left yet?
No, I'm doing that process. I'm building a gyro on.
Nearly got it out, and then it ran out of power, which is just the most like the compound frustration. If it had just died and stayed stuck, I would have been okay. But I literally about to roll out, and the power goes. Probably one of the most frustrating things I've done in a game in recent memory. How do I leave?
Very good point about power situation. Is that the red bars on my battery? Is that indicating no power?
Yeah.
There's one on this one.
Fuel
Maybe I can just repair it.
critical.
Does it use power from my suit at all?
No.
I think it's
Does
just
not.
that I haven't. Alright, let's see whether we can launch this bad boy again. Let's get the power on. Thrusters all on. We are up. Oh. Oh, we feel good. We feel good. Look at this.
Wait, does that not actually?
Hello. Yes. Beautiful. Okay, what I'll do is we'll stop her here. Batteries off. We are down. Thrusters off. Beautiful. Right. That ship has what it needs. And then let me get the rescuer. I'll call it the rescuer. Because
Rescuer's
it did
down
just
under
that.
or just rescuer?
It's just a rescue, I'm afraid. It's not down under.
Up Nova. Right.
Oh, beautiful.
Not sure how these...
So, why...
Just a button. What's the ETA of this? Shall I start?
Where are you? Where are you? Can you put a place marker and I'll...
kilometers away.
Give him a GPS.
Quite a long way.
Yeah, let me just check my GPS. If
If
you can share it, I can...
Is that right?
Truck? Is it truck?
Yeah.
Okay. So truck is 7.5 kilometers that way. Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to break down my tiny ship.
He's going to break down and cry.
Use my better ship.
Okay, so I'll start walking.
If you start walking, yeah. Start walking, I'll find you on the way.
You find that you can't rescue me. I just need to know whether I should bother to start walking or not, because I don't know how far you are from being actually functional. I appreciate the sentiment, but obviously it might take more time to participate. Essentially, is just what I'm getting at.
I am rolling down a hill. No, it's stopping.
This is what I want to do, yes.
Good. Right, so I'm going to just... I'll take this part and then...
Oh, God. Stop rolling down this hill! I'm dead. Lost all the ice.
Oh, no, I need to go back there.
We can get your body.
Yeah, but it's miles away. Okay. I'm going to take a drink and stuff.
Okay.
Sure.
1 second. Right.
What can I scrap here? Scrap metal. Got lots of things that I don't want.
I'm just going to finish this off.
Metal grid is valuable. Metal grid is valuable.
Exciting
Scrap
right now.
metal can stay here.
I've done this wrong.
What I might have to do is build stuff onto my ship so I can just store some of these materials.
Just a full multi-purpose,
Quite the setup.
That's correct. Very hard to see.
Maybe thrusters that go down. Is that too much to ask? Unable to place atmospheric thruster.
That looks like it, yes. All right.
There we go. Let's get one there. Let's get one here. These are in case I want to go down. I'm just using materials so it's economic, storage-wise. Because I'm too heavy. I'm a heavy.
He's a heavy bastard.
I'm too heavy.
Heavy boy. All right, I've done the top edge.
Another battery? Yes. Yes. Another battery. Fantastic.
Treat yourself. Treat your goddamn self.
I'm going to treat myself in a way that means I get another battery. There it is.
There we go. Lovely. And then we got...
Where's the other bits? Wait, it was around here, wasn't it?
Edge. 1, 2.
Someone said it looks. My ship looks like Doc Brown's mind reading device.
Really?
When he, yeah, because it's the shape of it's like a. It's just a wire frame.
Which one? The rescue one or the?
No, the one where he tries to what was it?
No, which ship of yours?
His mind reading device. It's the main one that I originally left up here.
Oh. Why can't I build that?
I think I'm able to store the rest of this. Okay. If I can put it on the battery, so be it. But Rescue Mission 2 will be able to launch very shortly.
Electric Boogaloo.
I need more power cells. That seems odd because I...
Fuel critical.
Why can't I place this?
Get equal, just so there's not... Alright, okay. We've got enough. Everything's working, hopefully. Let's get in. Oh man, I never really thought about the getting in part. engines on. Yeah, Trot, if you looked at my screen, you might be able to see what they're talking about in terms of the mind reading device.
Looky. Have a quick looky.
Oh, what?
Oh yeah.
Tell me no. Tell me no.
Just hop out. Get back in.
Oh.
Oh my god. So close. You tapped
I accidentally pressed F.
Oh man.
Oh, that would have been so devastating. I've lost a lot of health doing that. Maybe I need to take a detour. What's my ship's battery life? 17 minutes. Is that real minutes or in-game minutes? Right, where's Smith? He was in the hills, right? 4.2 kilometers that way? Am I... Oh, man. Very worried I'm about to screw myself. Can I change the colour of this so it's like... yellow. Okay. Show me where truck is. There it is. We are listing
Smith's
that
body
one.
is going to be nearby.
Thing looks hilarious. Okay. Yeah, okay. Some people saw it. Some eagle-eyed viewers saw that I did jump out the ship, activate my jetpack, and get run over by my ship. And that's fine. That's fine because I survived.
Eagle-eyed.
So everything's fine. Eagle-eyed
Yeah,
viewers
you might not
may
have even
have seen
caught it, honestly.
such a thing. I need to... Oh no, I need to turn something off here. I'm really trying to figure out the landing situation.
For God's sakes. There we go. Blast off corner.
Fuck! Christ alive, fucking stop! We're good! We're fine! Everything's fine.
Nailed it.
Look at this.
Perfect every time.
It stuck the landing! I had protection measures in place. Look at this. These thrusters are protected by... Look, bit of steel. Replace that. Down here. Easy. I could probably... Oh, I lost one here, didn't I? It's fine. Right, so where was Smith's marker? It's... Oh, that's not what I was looking at.
Bam 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 bam.
Ding 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 ding. I wish the names would... How did you get the names of you know, on the mini map when you just look around and you're looking at the markers? How do you get the names up for that?
H would toggle different settings.
Beautiful. I mean, 256 meters is that way. Got a clamber in. Okay, we're going for a...
That doesn't sound good, does it?
A brief launch. You can see we are hovering. And we're looking at a... God. Oh, man. Don't know where Smith went after this, but I'll stay in this position for the reunion.
Oh no.
Reunion.
I'm angering Clang.
Okay. Who's Clang?
I don't want to anger Clang. It's
What's
the
a Clang?
omnipotent physics god in Space Engineers that if you toy with the physics, Clang will come to hurt you.
Right.
If you clip things just a little bit too inside the other one,
You get clanged.
mass physics explosion.
I found his rover.
You did
I
it.
found the rover, Trot. Yeah, I'm here.
Do you have any resources
to his
have him,
rover.
like build or?
Well, this thing I
Yeah.
can... Yeah, once
Help.
he's back, we can get onto that. Maybe it's worth having a very short break.
I'm
Just saying hi to...
just come back. But
Good
you can
idea.
take a break.
Well...
Yeah.
Thank our subbies and stuff, you know?
Yeah, I can do that
Fuel
if you want. If you
critical.
guys want to go and
Sure. Yeah, I'm just going to take a moment.
Bam, 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 ding, ding, wong, wong, ding, ding. Oh, this needs to be 0. Yeah, and then I want it to go down to 90. So yes, 90. 90.
Do you guys want me to start, or are you gonna?
Yeah, go for it.
1 second. Yeah, go for it.
Go.
Dogecoin's at 160 plus. That's insane.
160
Dogecoin. It's
dollars.
percent. It's gone up 160% today.
Trying to pump Dogecoin, Ross.
I'm trying pump and dump, ladies and gentlemen.
It's the economy we now live in. Get those suckers pumping.
Get those suckers
I'm on
pumping.
Coinbase, but I can't actually tell how to buy more coins. Buy.
It's got a bit over the top.
Why isn't this searchable? Why is it a list?
Gone past 0. It's at -8. Oh. Silly me.
Dogecoin, there it is.
Control
Wow.
velocity.
Yeah, that's really jumped up. I mean, year on year, it's up 648%. That's mad. Anyway, Fifey has used 500 bits, saying just Corgi 100. Thanks, Fifey. 5 times for your bits. Stinkle Dinkle has resubscribed for 3 months. Damn, I've missed this game. Thank you for watching, Stinkle Dinkle. And
Damn!
Dan DPS has resubscribed for 21 months, saying, "Hey, Spacey Boykes, in before Ross starts building a huge, huge building." They've written here. Yeah, well, I mean, this time they fly. Nikella has resubscribed for 24 months. King of the Twitch has resubscribed for 25 months. Thank you, both of you. Very kind. Nikella's hit the 2-year mark there, and King of the Twitch is already exceeding it. Mistress Char has resubscribed for 67 months, being one of our longest subscribers. Thank you very much. They have said, speaking of Requiem for a Dream, did anyone ever think Jared Leto would ever be the big star that he is now after watching that movie?
The big crazy star, yeah. He's a bit off, unhinged, I heard.
Yeah. Seems a bit weird.
No, I didn't.
Hazor97 has resubscribed for 4 months, saying thanks for all the glorious content. Keep up the good work. Thank you, Hazor. Mr. DFP3 has used 500 bits, saying, "Oh no, our action and inaction have combined to form consequences in exactly the way all those experts said would happen. If only they'd done a better job at stopping us." That's very well put. Elvin the Man has resubscribed for 67 months in a row. 67, 68,
Bloody
69.
hell.
So close, Hat T. Well,
Right.
Elvin the Man, obviously when people start hitting 69 months, people are going to start losing their minds, let's be honest. Including us.
I will be up.
Farsight. Okay. Farsight 101 has resubscribed for 5 months in a row. 17 total. My sub baby has grown so big now. Wow, is it growing inside you? Has it learned to speak inside you yet? That would be weird, wouldn't it? Having conversations with a person that's still in there. Silver Tortilla has resubscribed for 31 months, saying 31 of these human months sub to you, boys. Hope you're all enjoying COVID Part 3. It's a real, sort of slow burn, this one, isn't it? Like, it's dragged, this storyline, a bit, I think. I don't like some of the leading characters. Glad they got rid of some of them. Melodic Oak donated $6 and said, "I can't catch you live most of the time, but I want you to know how much joy you bring. Love this series. So much love to all you three." Well, thank you, Melodic Oak, for your donation and your kind words. We appreciate it. Alpha Lacor, or Alphal Core, has resubscribed for 7 months. When are we getting another warehouse video? When it's safe for us to be in proximity with each other again, I suppose.
It makes sense.
That is generally why we're having to be streaming from our bedrooms at the moment. There is something going around that we don't want to get. So that is when you're getting another warehouse.
Do the maths. It's very quick maths.
That Gumball has resubscribed for 4 months in a row. What I miss. I mean, when did you start watching again? I don't know. Like, have you watched recently in the last sort of day or two, a couple of weeks, or?
What did you miss?
That's a hard
How
question.
can we? Yeah.
Dogecoin's up 300% on the month, Ross.
Oh,
You know that? And 600% on the year. Thank you, by the way, for all those people who have donated. That is up to date for the time being. I want to follow this coin. I don't seem to be able to buy this coin, though. How come?
No, it depends on where you're buying it from. Binance, you can get it from if you want it.
So, but you can't buy it on Coinbase.
I can't see it in Coinbase now.
I'm going to follow it.
Probably because it's joke coin, isn't it?
Yeah,
For the
probably
most
because
part,
they
it
don't want
was
people
joke
making
coin.
random amounts of money from things. But, I mean, it's so strange to have these platforms come in and regulate. It's like, just because the retail sector's getting involved now, they're like stopping people from doing things. And it's a bit bollocks. And Coinbase sometimes does that, shuts down trading of particular coins when there's certain things going on. Hold on to your GameStop stock, people. It's currently falling through the floor.
Is it really?
It's not falling.
They're
through
battling.
The floor. Yeah, it was up at 450.
Yeah.
Less than an hour ago, it was at 450. Now it's at 285. That's how volatile this is.
Energy low.
Insane.
Huh.
Yes, if anything, it's a good time to buy in. I can't buy right now because I haven't set up my thing properly. It's not verified. I just want to be a part of it. Right. Okay. Where are you, Smith? In terms of what should I do to your buggy, or do you want me to like pick you up or something and travel back here? I don't know how
We
much
could,
charge I have
yeah.
for
I mean,
the
if you've
ship.
got space in your ship, we could.
Is there anything I can add to your buggy now to make it better? Do you want a gyro on it?
Charge would be good.
Charge. Okay.
It has no charge, and a gyro might work. Yeah, I mean, if you've got the stuff.
Maybe dismantle the battery I had. I had a spare battery. I don't know how much extra stuff I have though. Finish it off. We will see. We will try. Ugh. Accidentally pressing X. Sounds familiar.
Does it?
Very familiar. Yeah, too familiar.
I'm just quickly doing. I'm guessing you might be. What are you doing?
I'm going to try and add a battery to this thing.
Okay.
If that's the solution. I mean, can you charge it from your own suit, Trot? Do you know?
I think Trot's still away.
Ah, of course. Do people know? Do I have the
People know
power
that
to
he's
charge
away?
it? I don't know. Maybe I could just figure out how to
From
charge
your own
the current
suit.
one.
I'm not sure it is.
Where is your battery? Is it inside?
Oh, in the truck. Are you at the truck already?
Yeah, I'm at the
Or are you
truck. I'm
talking-
looking at it. I'm on it.
Oh. Okay. It's inside. Hold on. Let me load up your stream so I can have a look. So yeah, those are the batteries. What are you trying to do here? Are you trying to charge it? You're just remaking some batteries so there's a bit of charge.
These are the ones that I'm just repairing them. Is that charging them, I guess?
Yeah, well, if you rebuild one, they have a little bit of charge to start with. So try driving that now. Now you're repairing these. Jump in the front by pressing F. Just try driving it forward, out. You might have
I'm
to take off the
kinda
handbrake.
stuck.
Oh, you're
Might have
doing
to take
the
handbrake.
rescue.
P.
You're
Yeah,
mounting a
P.
rescue.
Okay, we're just a bit stuck. Should I minus out?
Oh. You're a bit, yeah,
Let me
now
just
put the
mind-
handbrake back on. See, this is where
Yeah,
I was
handbrake's on,
before my
handbrake's
battery died. This is how close I was. Just mind the top right and top left out and you'll get out.
Yeah.
Are you going to
We'll
do
get her
it?
out.
Ross
You're going
gets to
succeed?
get it out. I've spent
We'll
like
get her out.
fucking half an hour and trying to get this thing out.
Hey, look,
I
I
don't
can
wanna
bring
talk
you
about it.
up.
I don't wanna
here
think
just
about
for
it.
the glory.
No, it's fine. I'm glad you're getting it out. It's just if
We're
I
here to save
even
the
start
day.
thinking about it, it makes me want to just like throw a monitor around or something.
Well, it's one way of coping.
It is.
Okay.
Well, I mean, obviously, I'm not doing that,
Why not?
but it does. Right now, you take the handbrake off
And
again, and then up you go.
She's free.
Oh, fuck's sake.
And she's free.
Congratulations, well done for
Hey.
getting it out.
Now do you want?
Okay,
Maybe we can
just
figure out
park
a
her
lift
up.
system.
Just park her
she's
up,
parked
and
She's parked up.
fly back maybe.
Yeah, let's figure
fly,
out.
Fly back.
Take some ice
we'll
with you.
Get a
Take some ice with
passenger.
you.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Well,
a little bit of ice.
the ice was on my body,
Where's
which
the
was
ice?
halfway down the mountain.
There's a there should be a HUD body location.
Okay.
Critical.
Well, I've got the truck. What's the little warning symbol I'm seeing at the top there? Little
one of
arrow, like an
your-
exclamation. Is it just my backpack? Oh, it's just my backpack's full.
Yeah, it's one of your things.
So you were halfway down the mountain, were you, before perishing?
Yeah. So I decided to walk it for a bit, and I just the gravity kind of just takes you and you start building up this momentum. And then I ran out. Like I tried to use my booster to counter it, and then that ran out, and then I smashed myself all over the side of a mountain.
Of course.
But it's fine.
It's fine.
Totally fine.
Totally fine. Not worry. Not worry.
Not a problem. I actually hope to smash myself against more hillsides in the future. Yeah.
Yeah, Ross, don't deprive him of that. Don't rescue him too well.
Motors, construction comp. Right, okay, we're in a position I can fly somewhere.
I'm doing the door like that because it's I like the door like that. It's as simple as that. Could have done airtight hangar doors, but don't want to. I like this.
Right, we're floating. I'm listing over to you. At least I think I am.
You mean listing laser?
15. Yeah, I've only got one. I've got two thrusters at the moment that are powering us forward. It's a beautiful day. We get great visibility, better than when we set off.
Great day for ass to ass.
Yeah, it's a great day to start ass to assing with one another. This shit is so dumb. It's looking beautiful though. I think it's the future of space technology. Are you at the base, Smith, right now?
Yeah, I'm just waiting at the base.
Okay, we are coming into land. Yeah, we're looking at there's a golf game on over there. Yeah, it looks like he's in the bunker. Okay.
Oh, where are you?
I'm above the base, the beautiful base.
How high?
Oh, not that high. I'm right.
Oh, I see you.
Yeah. Hello, I'm doing a fly past.
Wow,
Oh, nice.
you're going really quick. Kind of.
But now I'm trying to slow down.
Yeah, there's a hill. There's a hill. There's a hill. There's a hill.
I know, yeah, I know.
Oh my
As you
god.
can see, there's.
Why is it that it
Complications
doesn't
here.
give us pips for fellow players, but does give us pips for the random enemies that we can't approach or see 7
If
kilometers
he
in the
had,
sky?
it should do. I'm not sure.
Should it?
I think
Oh,
if he had
Haven't there?
I can't see Ross, but I can see yours, Trot. Is Ross a member
Something
of the
popped.
faction?
Oh, it was just the ground. It's just a floor. Right. Well, I got it. We landed it. Beautiful.
Yeah, he is.
That's something.
I-
Oh, what a journey. Are you admiring my craft? Is this... you looking at this?
Yes, that's what I
cool.
was doing. Wow.
Yeah. It's certainly
Did you
something
bring
to
any ice
admire.
back or?
I couldn't. I haven't found his body yet. I'm going to take him up there. I'm going to add a seat.
Okay.
And we're going to go
Incredible.
back to the launcher.
Oh, you've got
I
your
just need to
signal
probably
turned off.
offload a load.
Apparently. I don't know how.
Going to get rid of a load of extra
What button
stuff
do you
that's
press
press?
weighing
to
me
switch
down.
that? Ross, you need to switch your faction thing on so we can actually
Oh,
see.
okay.
I don't know how. I don't know how you would do that. Oh, press.
Share
maybe.
progress? What? Press O.
Oh yeah, bottom left. Your little Wi-Fi signal. Press O. And
yeah.
make sure that's turned on. He just wasn't broadcasting his position to us.
Um,
I'm gonna get
an
rid
O
of
does it?
these.
Does it? How do I know if that's on?
Bottom
It's
left.
not on right now. Yeah, it's not on right now. What would I do
O.
to activate that? Ah, cool. I was pressing 0 like an idiot. Like an idiot.
That's pretty newbie.
It's very newbie.
I like the base.
Bloody base.
Yeah. It's a bit grassy around here, but it'll have to do.
Okay, we're... Oh my god. Keep landing in holes that I accidentally made from coming in hot. Replace these, and that's fine, that's fine. Let's get that covered. And this one? Fine. That's absolutely fine. That's what we're looking at today. Let's try this. How do I recharge my battery, Chop? Do you know?
Hold F on the survival kit. Oh, you mean your ship? You
Yeah.
need to connect it to the base with a connector. So you need to be able to dock it with a connector.
Ooh, how do I get a connector? What do I look for in the
And shove one on the bottom of your ship. If you can float it in the air.
Is it just called a connector, yeah?
Yeah.
Put that in the build planner and pop it
And
on.
then I'll put a connector.
Do I need to like connect to... Okay, yeah. If you do that, that'd be great. Then I can pop in.
How do we use the cryo things for storing our stuff if
just
in
log
the
out
future
with
I have
it.
any stuff? So it'll just work now.
Yeah.
Now that you built
Do you
them.
know if the connector has to be on a specific thing?
You'll be able to touch this
Part of the
connector.
ship. So on the bottom.
I mean, I
is
can put it on the
best.
front if you want. Would that be better for you?
I don't know.
Where do you want to put
To
it?
be honest, on the
think the
side
bottom.
maybe I could try.
Okay,
but-
sure. Yeah, let's do the side.
I don't know.
I can position this connector how you like.
Yeah, pop it on the side. I'll make a side one.
Right.
See how that works. Connector.
Might just do it off the edge actually, just so that you don't scrape in. If that makes sense.
In a way, yeah.
It'll make sense.
Does make sense. Maybe front facing so I can do it easier.
Good lord. Build this bad boy up.
Why that? Why like that? Why has it done that?
Why is it not centralized it?
I want it to centralize, but it
Should
just
work.
keeps like blippy blopping away. Maybe I should build more of a...
Blippy blopping away, yes.
That's the term. There we go, that's better.
Hey. So Ross, it'd be useful if you, once you build that, go into your cockpit,
Mm-hmm.
and then once you're in, press G,
Yes.
and then put that connector on your hotbar and switch lock again. Similar to the landing foot, you want to be able to
Okay.
seal in a connection with this connector. So try and fly onto this connector, dock with it, just here. If you go backwards, yeah, that's nice. Got quite a lot of control with that thing.
Surprisingly, yes.
Very
Very
agile.
straightforward. Just
Yes.
speed control.
Connect with my dock.
Okay, we're going first person here.
Oh, a bit slower, a bit slower. Okay. Yep. And now press the switch lock. Yes.
What,
Now
am
that
I
should
in?
be charging. Yes.
Okay.
Bottom
We're
right, does it
charged.
say it's
Charging.
charging? Does it give you a time estimate?
No.
When it's going to be charged?
No, it's not giving that at all.
Okay.
I'm not seeing that. Should I turn everything off? Is that why?
No. Don't press Y. That will turn the whole base off.
No. I haven't
Okay.
pressed Y.
Individual
I've just turned my
things.
thrusters and my
That's
battery
good.
off.
Yes.
So now it says 10
no,
hours.
keep your battery. Oh, okay. 10 hours to charge.
So I'm wondering if it's charged. Is that 10 hours? Is that real time or in game time?
That'll be your amount of charge, I'm guessing.
Oh.
Is it above the bar?
Yeah, I think that must be what it's giving me. Yeah. Okay, so it's 3 days.
But that'll change based on whether
you might need your battery
thrusting or not.
Try turning your battery back on.
Battery's back on, but there's no readout for time
Press
now.
K. Go to control panel. Look at your battery.
Where the fuck's my battery on here?
It might be hidden. I don't know.
I see it. Yeah.
What's that? Just scroll down the middle.
Stored power 49.6 or 50. It's going up. So yeah, storing is going up.
Is it? Okay, it's charging. Nice.
Fully recharged in 37 minutes.
Okay.
But we'll get enough charge so we can go up there.
Yeah.
And sort that.
Oh, when you're connected to the base, that's when the base's charge runs out, because obviously you'll connect to the base. It's factoring in the whole base, but looking at your specific battery, that's your own.
I feel like surely turning the battery off would... Yeah, what does that do on my surveillance? Let's see.
I'm just worried that's going to stop it connecting and charging.
Yeah, I think it does. Yeah, it needs to be on.
Okay. But by default, it should be in auto mode, which means it's in charging mode now.
I think so, yeah.
Well, I bloody
Going
know,
up, so...
Nice.
Beautiful.
You did it.
No, I did it.
You took off, and you came back and landed, and charged it.
Someone's suggesting solar panels on top, which is that something that is viable now?
Yeah, yeah. You can build a solar panel while you wait.
While this is charging, maybe I can get out. Yeah, and that's it's just hanging off the side.
Do you mind before you put solar panels and stuff on, if you've got enough charge, if you can take me over to the truck, that'd be good.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I had a couple of things that I'm missing here.
I need the only thing is we need a way to charge the truck as well when we get there.
If you connect them together.
Can you charge off of me?
Yeah.
So you need to just make sure you have enough resources to build a connector.
There should be one on the back of the vehicle already.
Or maybe bring enough resources to build another battery to whack onto your rover.
Okay.
Yeah, that's a good point.
What?
See what I've got shitloads right now.
Press G, go to battery, click on it, add it to your build planner, bottom right, and then extract those resources from the cargo container.
Okay, should be good.
Okay, let's give this a go. It should be good enough to get up there. Just need to... I need to probably add a seat, so let me just do that first. So you can ride on top.
Wait, did you get more ice or not? Oh no, you didn't find any when you were up there.
No, I haven't found any.
Oh yeah!
I need to find your body. So I'm going to add a seat. Let's get that in the build planner for a second. I might have enough to just do it.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Yeah.
What?
Made a little door, didn't I? Made a door. It's not complete yet. It's just the framework.
Didn't warrant that level of celebration, I don't think.
This one, Smith, you're looking at the wrong thing.
Oh, that is more impressive.
You were looking at just the door frame.
I just looked at like a small frame back here. I was like, is this it here?
Oh, yeah. Happy with that. I mean, I could add another rotor on the other side for stability.
Can we get steamers that open? So they're steam emitters you can put in the ground, perhaps?
I'm not sure.
Maybe just get thrusters to fire.
There's like
I mean, I don't want to overcomplicate it.
There's oxygen things you can just... Again, that requires ice, and ice is, you know, very important.
Mm-hmm.
Getting back onto this is a charge.
Yeah, I don't want to do the second row thing. I'm just going to put a block up there. But this is coming together. You got to get yourself together.
Right, the seat is on the side, Smith. So see, it's on the outside there. Hop on that.
Comfortable ride.
And let's go.
Take me to the truck.
Fly a kite. To the higher side. Okay.
Oh, I've fallen
You're off?
The seat fell off.
What?
It wasn't connected.
Okay, hang on. Let's reevaluate this. Hang on. This moves so smoothly. Let me just
Fuel critical.
make sure I'm not going to crush anything.
It's so quick and simple.
Well, there's the seat. The seat's directly underneath you, and so am I.
Oh, hang on.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Happy with that.
Okay.
Happy days.
Leave it there for a
I've gotta
second.
do this.
Let's reattach it. Yeah, just, you can dismantle it. Just place it again if you want.
Yep, done. Just dragging it onto the hot bath thing.
Was it just floating above then or something? Stick it on the top, yeah, wherever you can get up
I don't know
to.
why. It just literally just fell off as soon as you took off. I'm just putting it together.
BS.
Energy low.
Okay, I'm in once again.
Okay. Once again, I don't do any safety measures. That's just not my thing. Just so you know.
What about safety stretches?
No, definitely not.
None of that.
All right, okay. We'll be launching now. Enjoy your journey.
I'm on. Yeah, I'm on. Seems
Please
smooth.
thoroughly enjoy the journey. It's all about the journey here.
Is it not? Well, is that because we won't get to the destination? Oh, did you mean to do that?
You like that? That's part of the journey. No, yeah.
It doesn't feel like it was part of the journey.
Oh, it doesn't. Why not?
That'd be
We can go the
boring
other way,
otherwise.
Whoa!
That sounds like
Hello. Actually, that's
accident
sending us
waiting to
down
happen.
in a downward spiral. It is an accident waiting to happen. Those red.
You remember that
markers
crash first time,
coming
Ross,
in
where
hot.
you were pointing upside down?
I do, but that was then. This is now.
Whole different
We have a
machine.
stronger machine now.
It's like the Wright brothers. You had that wooden framework before, and now this is a Boeing 747.
Yeah. Exactly. It's
But skip all the middle ones.
all the other ones. Yeah, all the other aircrafts.
Why the fuck?
Do you know where your body is, Smith? Per chance?
Do
you want to fly directly to that, or you want to buggy
unfortunately,
to it?
amongst the selection of marks on my
Of
screen,
course,
there
there's so
isn't
many.
the one that takes me to my body.
There should be a
I don't
location one.
It's not.
We're coming in hot.
There's no point saying what it should be, Trot.
We'll just be
Yeah,
looping
there
around
should
here
be.
just to slow us down.
Okay, which thing do I use to find the tag?
It
The-
should just
which
be
of
on
the
your HUD. There's no turning it on or off. It's just blue.
Yeah, it's not on
you
there.
press H.
Okay.
Until it's like shows everything.
No, doesn't look like it's on there.
It's a limited range, so maybe you have to be closer to the location.
How limited do you know? I have got a rough idea of where.
I don't know.
Okay.
All of these metal grids.
Bring it down.
You can tell we're gently rolling down.
Yeah, it's going.
Just
good.
gentle, just gentle.
You
We
might
don't
want to
be
get
too
to
harsh with
like
this.
a flat bit, just so I can charge the. Where's the truck? Oh, it's
It's
over
just
there.
there.
Right, I'm
In fact,
getting
I
out.
think I could probably try and.
I'll try and back
You
it
can probably
onto
try and take it to me. Ooh. Oh, do I have a?
Truck. Will that
Parking.
switch lock key I used earlier work on this as well, or is it only specifically for?
It'll be on
The
the
place.
ship you set it up on.
No, I mean as in, will that toggle work on any connector, or will it only work on the one from?
Yeah,
the
any
base?
connector. If it's your ship
Okay.
that's toggling the connection, yes.
Come and connect. Let's do it.
Coming in.
Probably put some wheels in this bad boy. Every time I land, it seems to be a little bit bumpy. I can probably lift her actually. Let me just.
Yeah.
Get off
you
the
know what you
ground
should
slightly.
do, Ross?
Yeah.
You should have wheels that are retracted that you can pull out, like on hinges.
Stop it. Stop it.
Wouldn't that be
Naughty.
great?
Sounds really good actually. Yeah. I really don't want to crash into you. Though. Whoa.
Stop.
Off. We're off. Hang on, we're off.
Whoa.
Right, a little bit of propulsion. A little bit.
I'm unlocked, so... I'm unlocked. Are we locked? I think we might be... Oh.
Bit higher.
Oh, I feel like I'm propelling you forwards. That's the downside.
Just a little bit high. It doesn't seem to be matching up quite right. Bit more height. Little bit more verticality. A couple of feet. Foot maybe. It's not binding for whatever reason.
Are you able to reverse?
Yeah, I am reversing, yeah.
Oh, good.
No,
yeah, reverse into me.
You need to go slightly to the right.
Let me angle it better. This is quite the nature documentary. We're just trying to dock.
I'm out of power.
We are rolling. We are rolling.
I could put my handbrake on, I just realised. I should just probably put my handbrake on. Oh, I'm missing a rear wheel as well.
Oh.
Is misconnector even functional? Right, let's have a look at that. Okay. No, it's not functional.
I've got a little stuff. Let me
I'm repairing. Yeah.
I've got a load of materials if you need it.
Fuel critical.
It's so hard to control that last.
I've managed to... You can lower the range of when enemy ships appear on your HUD.
Alright, like she's at full whack now.
So
nice one. What?
Okay.
Sorry?
You can lower the range of like all those other blips on your HUD.
Where do you do that?
You press K and go to... where is it? Action, no. Where did I even see that? Info. And then in the middle there's a slider for show distance for enemy antennas. I brought it down to like
1,000?
Yeah. I guess they're a real problem within the 1,000 range.
It's not good.
I'll
go get a big turnaround. The turning circle's quite poor.
Oh, nearly. A little bit of height.
Yeah, a little bit of height on there. Come on.
Wait, hold on. I think you something's not red anymore. Is yours okay?
Come on. Get in, son.
I think them. Stop. Pull back.
Am I pulling
Ross,
back?
Is your one even on?
I need to check my
we need to check the process here before we just.
Let me have a little cursory glance at what
are they
you're
meant
doing.
to be, what does
it says unlocked right now.
What do both red rims are now around this mean?
Not working.
Hmm.
One of you needs to be set to... Oh yeah, they're too low. Yeah, why is that turned off? Is there no power? Have you both turned yours off with Y or something?
No.
Your whole ship is turned off, Ross. Everything's on.
My whole ship is turned off right now, yeah. Only because we were docking.
Yeah, but that turns off your connector and everything.
My battery's on now. Is it on? Is it green?
Everything needs to be on. Your connector needs to be...
all my thrusters?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't have any... do these connectors work even if you have no charge?
Oh, that's a good point. You might need a little bit of charge.
Shit, yeah. Let's see if we can...
Okay, so I tried to add the things for batteries earlier, and I thought I had it. Told me I had. Now I've got here, and I can't build batteries. Have you got any, Ross, or not?
Yeah, I think
Have you got any energy cells?
I have a spare here, which...
No, I've got 4 power cells. I need computer parts, is what I need.
Oh.
I might have them, yeah. Let me see. I may have them.
Battery cell. When you break a battery, those battery cells are non-recoverable. So breaking down a battery to give to someone else, you will not have all the resources.
Mm-hmm. Oh, right, okay. Jeez.
So be careful with that. You're just breaking batteries if you do that.
Well, that one's at full, so you might have a little bit of charge.
Let's give it a quick go. Yeah, jump in your vehicle.
Yeah, you haven't got long.
All right.
And you need to set your battery, Ross, to discharge, and Smith needs to set his to charge.
Where do I find that setting?
Well, we need a connection first as well.
Get a connection. Connection and seal it in. Lock them up. This is hot. We finally get ass to ass.
This is ass to ass. It's an ass to ass. I didn't expect
for it this whole time.
Just need to be able to raise myself slightly. Come on. Take it.
Got it,
You're my
got it, got it,
bitch.
got it, got it. It's really
All right.
bad, but I've got it. Can you fly with me? Just try and take off. Oh god.
Upside down. Hang on.
Yeah.
We are in a
Are you sure?
confusing
Do you want
position
me to
here. Our gyros
disconnect?
are.
Do you want me to disconnect?
Well, let's see if it charges for a second. While I'm.
So press G.
Okay, yeah.
Oh no, K. Sorry. Bring
Yeah.
up your battery and set it at the bottom. There's a drop down for charging mode in the middle.
Discharge.
Discharge, yeah. And
Right,
it
it's on
should-
discharge.
I'm on battery, charging mode, recharge.
Yes.
Yeah.
So that's
We're
forcing
just
you
kind
to
of like
discharge,
upside
forcing you to
down right
recharge.
now.
I really, really, really hope that we can flip me back the right way again, because
Yeah.
now we're getting charged, but now I'm upside down again is literally blow my brains out territory.
Maybe give.
Because now we've solved the problem that I have. Now we've created the problem I had before I had this problem. But
upside down.
I'm confident.
worth
I'm
it?
hoping that you can. Okay, that disconnect because it's red
Okay.
now. It's not transferring.
Unlock. Let me change it back to auto.
All my onboard batteries need to be in recharge mode. I just read. Oh,
Oh right,
can-
okay.
is that true?
Well, I won't disconnect yet then.
If they're
Or
in
you're
auto, they
already
should be
disconnected.
recharging. If Ross's is discharging specifically.
Which key do I press? K to open my control panel.
Yeah, K opens that.
Wait,
so you
now
can
all I see
choose-
is. Wait, where? What? They're all in auto. Yeah, they're all in
battery
auto
on.
at the moment.
You can
It's
select
okay,
we're
them
not
all
discharging.
by shifting and selecting them in the list, and then you can change them all at once.
Ross, what's the situation?
Well, it's set to discharge. Should I try and disconnect?
Yeah, disconnect and or flip us over. Can you fly at all? Can you flip us over or not?
Yeah, you might need
Oh,
to
we're already
try and-
disconnected.
There we go.
Just try and fly a little bit, yeah.
Something just fell off. Okay, you're up.
We're
So
up.
I'll just take these bits. These weren't necessary. Can you connect to me by any chance?
Oh,
Can you fly
while you're
up
upside
over here?
down. Let's have a look.
And just kind of nudge them over, yeah.
It's
You do become like the same
It's
unit, so the weight of both becomes...
yeah.
Yeah.
Guide me in.
Okay, come on in.
Right. Does it matter the orientation? Do I need to be upside down?
Okay, is that
It's on
connected? Have you
orange.
connected?
It looks like it's connected. It says there's a yellow light. Is that correct?
Okay, right. Before you do anything else, Smithy, your batteries
Yeah.
are white as they are on board. Anything connected to your vehicles via connector, piston, rotor, or merge will come in a different color, orange. I don't understand what you mean by that. Like, what do you mean by them being white? Anything connected to your what's white? Connect to
As
your
in
vehicle.
the
Do you mean in the
list.
control panel?
In the control panel, anything in the list that's white is your ship. Anything that isn't is Ross's ship.
Right.
So
okay.
remember when you're connected
in the
together-
grid blocks, in the control panel tab of the grid blocks bit, right?
Yeah.
Right. Okay.
It's in a discharge mode. Maybe I am. Yeah, let's go auto.
I need you to flip me before we worry about how much charge I've got. Can you flip me over? Can you lift? Oh wait, you're not linked anymore. It's not.
Well, that's what
linked
I'm
to
worried
some-
about. I'm worried I've discharged my battery to... Where's my readout for that? Is that on the right?
Bottom right.
No, that's...
Your power's off.
Yeah, let me turn it back on. Negative readout.
Oh Ross, every time you cut your ship off, you break the connection as well. So try not to turn your ship off if you can help it.
Okay.
Reduce your thrust if you have to.
Right now, nothing's
Turning on.
happening. Let me see. The
Is this two
batteries.
stranded ships?
Yep.
Maybe. The battery's on. Thruster's on. We may have used all the juice, I think.
That's okay. I mean,
Can I
tried.
build another battery though? Well, I guess I can't. You can't get
Have you
all
got
the.
power
I need
cells
all the
on you?
power cell stuff.
Yeah.
Let me try and build one and see. 'Cause I've got a load of. Well, I don't really have any power cells. I've got construction comps and
Yeah, you need
steel
power
plates
cells
and
to
interior
build
plates and
a
stuff. I need
battery.
power cells.
Well, maybe you could build a solar panel.
Do you reckon?
Let the sun do the work. Might require a lot.
It needs some bullet.
Have
It
you
needs
definitely
solar
tried
cells.
Y, Ross? Because the power button was on red.
So pressing Y. What am I looking for? Visual cue wise.
Right, it should go from red to white. But that might just be the fact that this HUD is just showing red because it's out. Yeah.
Okay.
Doesn't
Check
look
battery.
good.
Yeah, battery's got 0 stored power. I think when I was discharging, it must have just either continually tried to discharge, even whilst not connected. Maybe.
It's kind of frustrating that you have to like have power to connect, because I just tried wiggling down the hill there to try and connect the connectors again to give you a bit of the charge that's in my batteries. But
Right.
Can you connect to another connector? Maybe that isn't.
Maybe if I stay in it, everything's on.
No, I don't think I can get close.
Are we able to flip your vehicle in any way, or would it be a case of like literally dismantling it and rebuilding it the right way up?
Yeah, we could try that, but then again, certain things get destroyed when you break them down, so we need to be careful of that. I think wheels.
Yeah, like battery components.
We can take the wheels off.
Just put them on.
Well, if you could take the wheels off and kind of like put them on the other way around, like whilst it's like this way up, I don't know. That would be pretty.
You could do that,
weird.
I suppose. Yeah. I guess that kind of.
If there's a way to flip it, that would be interesting. I don't know how.
It would be with like a gyroscope.
Unless we took thrusters off of mine. But again, the power is kind of crucial there.
I mean, I could rapid speed build something.
Just like all you need is like a 2-thruster cockpit to fly over here with a battery.
All right, rescue operations 3 to rescue 2 other guys is in up.
It's battery. It's the battery situation. We should have come up with more battery tech. I was full at the time.
Well, I did.
Crap.
I did.
Yeah.
And then because the UI is really quite confusing, I went up to a thing, pressed the key to fill my inventory with the things I need to build spare batteries just in case.
Have enough space. Or?
I don't know. I
find it doesn't have enough
space. As far as I'm
or-
aware, and I'm guessing it didn't say this because obviously this isn't
All
the
the
case.
power
But as far as
cells
I'm
are in
aware,
the
it said it
cargo
moved the
containers.
stuff.
Right.
Moved the stuff.
There's like
over.
77
I
of
have
them
in where?
in the base.
Yeah. I have 4 power cells. The problem thing I think I don't have now is the computer things, the computer pieces.
Right.
God, this is
You need a back one, don't you? Okay. So there's that. And then
Is there anything such as a quick charge option, Trot? It's just 37 minutes to real-time charge. Seems insane. Is that just more of a case of we need more like
you've got
wind
small
turbines
batteries
and stuff?
and what are you charging with?
Well, when I was
base?
connected to the base, is it more of a case of it needs more energy sources to speed charge, or would it just always charge at that rate?
I believe so. I think you could probably charge faster. Don't hold me to that.
Please put a gyro on the buggy. Okay. I do have a gyro, I think. Do I have a gyro?
If you can give him the gyro, that might be able to self-right. If you break yours down off your thing.
Yeah, I think I brought enough to build another one. Yeah, I did. There we go. So there's a gyro attached to it now. I don't know if you want to mess with it and see what.
Do I need to create a key for that?
No, it should just be on if there's power.
I don't think so. It should be on. Yeah, it'll just be on.
And what does that allow me to do? Like spin
Just
the
stabilize.
Self-rights.
But if he's just on his
obviously, there's no
back,
power, so that's the issue we're having.
I'm on my back, yeah.
I can't break down my. Yeah, he's on his back, so. What we need to do is like remember those not go-karts, bloody remote control cars which have wheels on the top and bottom so you can flip it.
yeah,
That's what we need.
yes.
Right. Smithy, override gyro controls and make the yaw super high. Okay. Gyro. Yaw override. 60 RPM. We're spinning. Doesn't seem to have done anything. I do have power, do I not?
You have a little bit.
Oh no, no,
bit of
power's
juice.
gone. Nah, no, unfortunately it's used it up. No, I'll change.
Well, I definitely need some solar panels next time, I think. That's the next project on top of the ship.
Considering how many things need power, it's not a particularly ubiquitous resource, power, is it? Like,
No,
the fact that you
yeah.
have to build these giant connector things in order to even charge a thing is surprising. I'm surprised there isn't like, oh, what the hell? It's just rolling over.
Oof. Hello.
It rolled a little bit there. I don't know why.
Is that the yaw setting, the gyro? No.
Did
I've
you
not really
move?
moved.
No, because there's no power. I
There's
wonder
no
whether
power to
jumping
move
on
it.
your thing allowed this thing to move back a bit, which caused my truck to move.
Maybe. Can we get underneath it? Try and nudge it. Tether away.
Right, I'm just gonna scrap this whole thing and just build something new.
It's rolling on me.
But do I get computer parts back?
Yeah, you get computer parts back. I think it's just the battery power cells aren't the same as before because they'll be used up.
If I can get the computer parts back though. Alright, God, what?
Palaver.
What a palaver. 2.5 hours of me just trying to get this buggy to move around as a buggy.
That's you're learning how not to do things, I guess, as well.
Yeah, basically. It's quite risky going out of the mountains. Quite
I mean,
far
I'm
away.
on Mark 3 or 4.
All I wanted to do was get some ice, guys. I just wanted to go out, get you guys some ice so you could then continue your burn. And then from there, it's just...
It was for our G&Ts, wasn't it?
It's for all sorts of things. G&Ts.
Just for the drinks, mainly. I don't...
Put it in a bathtub so I can come back and just torture myself in the cold as well. Be good.
Nice ice bath.
Plunge myself in.
Careful with that power.
No, I'm not waiting. I've waited long enough.
I don't have metal
I mean, to be
grids.
fair, the speed at which you'll rebuild it will probably...
Yeah, it probably will. It probably will. It's probably the thing I should have done at the very start.
But we've learned that that's the case now.
What
might be quite good is having standby ships just at the base if we decide to do off.
Yeah, that's the fun of it. Is like,
rescue ships.
We have like backup and things like that. Rescue ships and welding repair ships.
And the ships only need to be literally like 2 thrusters, a cockpit, a battery, and a gyro, and you can go over there and then actually 3 thrusters, 1 so you can spin in a circle.
If you want,
that's the rescue one.
Blueprint that. However, I think you just remodel it. It'll be nice. With all these things factored in. I don't have metal
We
grids
put
to be
wheels
able
on this
to
bad boy.
Build enough thrusters to
make this a mega one.
Mount a rescue. So unless there's some in here.
I think I will add wheels to this. Or multiple batteries, I think, as well.
I thought the 14 batteries would be enough.
You had loads of small ones, right? Yeah. Man.
Yeah, like a Tesla car is built using lots and lots of small cells.
Loads of little ones, yeah.
That was my dream. But no.
No.
The ground had other ideas.
Broken man.
I mean, Trot, have you seen what I've done for the last 2.5 hours?
I'm aware. I am aware.
It's not unfounded. I've been trying to be patient.
I'm not saying it is. I'm not saying it is. But it's still true. You are a broken man.
He's broken. Yes.
Feel broken.
Well, I built a lovely hangar for your stranded rover.
Are you building a ship to get up to us, Trot, or not?
Ross, I don't have metal grids.
Of course. Oh my god, you're the metal grids.
Because we don't have cobalt, right?
Yeah.
And to get cobalt, we need to
build ships to find cobalt?
Or rovers. Rovers work too.
No, they don't.
Okay.
Okay.
This ship, I think if this ship had wheels, it'd be much more manageable. And obviously more battery power. chuck a couple more batteries at full charge.
Fuel
With wheels, I can go around and be the king of the land. And someone can sit on top. Like desperately trying to dock people. Oh no.
That could work.
Fuel critical. Oh, no.
I'm about to run out of energy as well. Ross, I'm 22. I'm down to 22% suit energy. When it hits 0, just shoot me in the head. All right.
You can just press backspace
Just press
and respawn.
backspace and respawn at the base.
You
No,
want me to.
oh right, I see. Right. Does that keep my inventory?
No. But
no.
do you really need it?
No.
Right at this
Get it
point?
again.
Like,
Get
what
it
have you
again.
got in your inventory that's...
I've just ground down the entire rover I want to
Ship,
rebuild.
yeah.
In which case, dump it all in Ross. Has Ross got a cargo on his ship or no?
Can you pick it up from your dead body or not? I haven't got any cargo. Not yet. It's very basic setup.
Very basic.
I need more
In which
batteries.
case, yes. Maybe take the stuff off of him, Ross.
Yeah, I've got... yeah, I'd have to dump a lot of stuff.
Oh. I've
So
got plenty of
far-
iron here.
You've got 4,000 liters worth of stuff.
Yeah. I've got... Right now, I've got like 32 grids, 22 motors, 62... yeah, I don't know why I've got so much. I took some steel plates so that we could repair stuff. But otherwise, yeah. Storage is what
I
to
don't
add
think
to
I've
this
got
as well.
ice on me. I don't have any ice. Ross, I've got to give you the ice. Here's
Oh,
the
you have
ice. No.
Thank you. Can do bodies hold the storage, the stuff you've dropped? So if he comes back to his body, can he reclaim it? Drop.
Yeah, it's on the backpack, which falls off when you die.
Okay.
I could try and build a could I build a storage on your ship, Ross?
Yeah, you build a
Yeah.
cargo
Yeah,
container.
let's do that actually. I could probably do that as well.
Industrial or storage container? What's it come up as?
Cargo container.
Is it? Small
Yeah.
cargo.
Cargo. How big is a large one though? How large is large?
Okay, I'm just building a small one.
That large one is ridiculous. That's not okay. Have you got enough materials to build it? Because I think
think
should have
so.
as well. Wait, is this it?
How is it control? How do you move stuff over? Oh no, that's full. Okay, that's tiny. Yeah, okay, the tiny ones are truly tiny.
Well, we can build a load of them.
Oh, it's not worth it. Trust me, it would take loads of the little ones to store anything close to what we have on us. We need to build a bigger one.
Large?
Medium.
Let's
Yeah,
do
try that.
Medium, medium. Do not do large.
Medium?
Do not do large.
This is too big.
Too big.
Alright, medium. We'll go medium.
Don't do it.
In fact,
bonk it on
Ross.
the
Oh wait, no, you've got no
back.
power, have you? That's the problem. You've got no power,
That's our
so you
current
can't fly us
situation, yeah.
back.
No, but if we can
Um,
get power to this, we can at least store our stuff in here and then... I don't know.
Let me see
Go
if I
back to
can
the
still
base.
put any of these batteries on it. One sec. Do I have the components? I think I might have, like, for one. Can you get us back on 1? 2?
I don't know. We can try.
Well, get in the seat. Get in the driver's seat. We're getting out of here. Right.
It's
all I
traveling.
got.
It's moving. Why is it moving
Yeah,
so
yeah, get in.
fast?
Drive, 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 drive.
I can't get under the... There we go, I'm in.
Are you
Okay,
in?
nice.
Right, now, for God's sake, just fling us back towards home as far as you can, close as you can get. We've got a minute of thrust, Ross.
She's not climbing.
Get-
She's not climbing. There's
Oh,
nothing.
have we not got enough?
What's happening? Oh,
It's
we
not
weighed
got
it
enough
down.
charge.
You've weighed it down heavily, probably, I imagine.
With what?
All the stuff you picked up.
Is it? It's on my body. Does that
I
count?
mean, you broke that rover, and I think it might count then.
All right. I'm just gonna walk it, Ross.
So,
It's only
another 7
7k.
kilometers.
It's only 7k.
That's a long
Fuck it, yeah? Yeah?
On foot,
I'll
it's a
walk
long
it.
way.
I'll walk it until I just die in the wild.
Damn it.
I'll build a rover and come get you.
All right, this cargo... I'm going to just destroy this cargo container and try and fly it on this tiny one battery.
1, 2, and then 3,
Oh, no.
and then...
Not enough.
a
It's not good enough.
Cockpit.
Right. Cargo.
No. And then we need...
I'll store it.
Then we need cargo. All right. Yeah. Here we go.
Coming to give us a battery, mate.
I'm gonna build.
I have one spare seat on it. If you wanted to build another.
I'd have to get to you. I'm gonna build a rover to get to you.
He needs to save the day.
Suspension.
Hey, where are we? Okay, so
Hey,
current battery power is 0. They're small battery 0, 0, 0, 2.5 on the incomplete batteries. Can I complete them? Is there anything? Okay.
Oops.
Dear Lord.
There we go. What was suspension left? Damn it.
Of course. She needs more features. She's a featureless thing.
Can't tell which way around this goes. Yeah. Alright, nice. Cockpit. Interior plate, of course.
Okay. I'm going to... Do I leave it here? And...
I'm mounting a rescue. Oh shit.
Mounting a rescue, okay. I will save. I'll wait and be saved.
Fastest buggy in the land.
You're making a buggy, okay. Nice.
I mean, we can't build thrusters.
No, we can't. No.
So, next best thing is this. Alright, so I can just do this. Yeah, sure. Right there. Piddly little wheels. Wonderful. Excellent. 4 wheels. Bish bash bosh. Give me a nosh.
Oof. Wouldn't dream of it.
And then we want a cockpit. Cockpit. What's this? Oh my god. It's not centralized. Ah well. No biggie. Just move it up one actually. Oh, those are all light armor things. Half blocks. Boosh. Three. Blah. Ding. Dong. Ding. I'm not good at building fast. Decided. Okay. You. Like that. Off center. Perfect. And then let's put a medium cargo container. Should put a connector on the back. First. Like that. And then it's medium? Yeah.
Fuel critical.
Perfect. And then we can put some batteries in the middle. Actually, I should probably put that. Well, not a big deal. Batteries. 7. Like that. And then, just in case, a bit more stability on both sides. Lovely, lovely. Stuck. Oh, those are.
So I really want to pump a lot of time into the solar element of things. Is the cobalt thing kind of critical to our movement forward?
Yeah, it's like the next rare resource.
Okay.
That unlocks.
And that's down to us literally hunting it down and finding it.
Finding it, yeah.
Okay.
We've got to find it. And in the darkness, we have to bind it.
Yes. Oh, man. Rescue missions all over the place.
It's going to be phenomenal. How are we looking? Wonderful. Probably start welding this together. Did Smith die?
I'm still alive.
Oh.
Traverse the land?
I'm just holding shift and W. I'm 2.5k away from the base now.
Fuck.
Metaphorically.
Can you
yes.
beat him, Trump? Can you beat him to the ship?
I don't think so. Cool. Withdraw that. Closing production. Oh, it's probably on full. Alright.
Are you coming to save me? I'm 7 kilometers from you.
I will be saving you, Ross. I will be saving you.
Just 7.41 kilometers away.
I will be saving you.
At least everyone got to see a docking scene today, you know?
Full interstellar mode.
Full interstellar dock scene.
Five steel tubes, probably because I'm full. Nope. Oh, it's just
Hydrogen generators. Are they a power source drop?
small. Yes.
Can they? But they run on ice, I'm guessing.
Yeah. Yeah, they do.
Oh, fair enough.
Let's imagine having an abundance of ice.
Hmm.
What that's like.
I wouldn't want to know. Sounds unrealistic.
Energy low.
What do I need to rescue from you, Ross? Inventory? Or just you?
Well,
You've
I
got
just need
stuff.
to, put stuff to what I've actually got I've got 30 construction comps, about 200 interior plates, 32 metal grids, 100 computers.
Well, I only need
about
to
500
rescue
steel
you
plates.
as a person. I don't need to pick up your ship right now.
Well, if we can take resources to fuel it, then sure. But if we can't build a battery, then yeah, just me, I guess.
I can bring resources for a battery.
But yeah, if we can build a battery, that will get it going again, and we can just move it off.
All right. Can do. Ooh wee.
See what you can do battery-wise. I have one large battery at the moment.
Computers. Give me them.
Oh. There have been reports of pirates in the area.
Uh-oh.
Which kind? Again, which kind?
The cool kind.
Pirates. Are they Tom Hanks film pirates, or are they
Just fun Disney pirates?
Just fun Disney pirates. Fun. Yar.
Yar. I wish I had some jetpack stuff. That's functional.
I'm here.
He's made it back. The long journey. Oh, thanks. Get straight back to work. No fucking around. No messing around. That's what I meant to say.
Where'd you get to with subbies?
That'll be on Smith.
I've clicked on all the ones that I read, so any that just aren't highlighted, I guess.
Sometimes that doesn't update.
Afghan Vet 87. So 2 months. That's 3.
Leonade 87. Leonad. Sorry, Leonad 87 is the last one I've got here.
Oh, okay. I see. Yeah. You read that one out already?
No, I haven't yet. Leonad.
And they're 5 monter. So self ISO locked in a room. Thanks for passing the time. Though my life does seem to be watching Smithy ice mine in space. That's exactly what you're watching. Up until you're now watching either mine, which is a static screen of me just looking at my ship, or Smith running in the dark.
He's not. He's back. He's helping me build back rover.
Brilliant. That's brilliant. That's brilliant. Okay, so he's back.
Brilliant news.
Iggy 900. Thanks
brilliant.
For the sub. Himburn. Thanks for the 12 months, saying, damn, this makes me want to play Space Engineers again. Goodbye, free time, indeed. It clearly takes a lot of free time. That was an hour ago. Dasdank is a 7-monter, saying some emotes there, thank you. Kaza Nolsey is a 10-monter, saying game stonks, indeed. Many game stonks. Nice Jube is an 11-monter, saying thanks, ya blobos. Okay, thank you.
What?
Yoi1 Zoz 2 Mum 3 is a 34-monter, saying thanks for the streams, boys. Puts money, sub money into game stock stonks. It's like playing the slots at this point.
Yes.
Well, it is. It's gambling.
It's highly risky.
Charlie Nuddles subbed on Prime there for 10 months. Thank you. Another Amazon Prime sub is a 5-monter, saying thank you all the boys for the good times. Hope you're keeping safe and well.
Safe, yes.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
A wild board game appeared as an 18-monter. Thank you very much. And just now, Optimistic Spoon gave to 10 subbies. Thank you very much for that. That's very generous.
Thank you.
Make sure you thank your gifters out there. They're being generous.
Very generous.
And then we're up to date. We're up to date. Somebody just tried to call me. What is this?
Me.
What do they try and call you?
I don't know.
Prick?
I don't recognise them. Maybe they were trying to say prick. On phone.
Do you want me to put a second battery on this trot, or
if you want to, yeah. I guess that's been our big Achilles heel.
I'm actually quite surprised how fast you managed to get back to the base, to be honest.
Yeah.
Just by running.
Yeah. It's not. It's far enough to make it annoying, but not too far to make it impossible. It's perfect.
Yeah.
Perfect in that sense.
It's a perfect walk.
Just one power cell is needed.
Okay, how do I select just one? Where'd that go? Where did that just go? Okay, it's giving me 48. That's probably because it maxes out my capacity.
I'm going to take the
Right,
resources
I'm coming over.
for another battery as well, so that we can put one on raw.
Oh, they're calling me again. I'm just going to answer this.
Sure. Hi there. We've noticed you've been buying stonks.
Yeah,
in
it will literally
Dogecoin.
be that, I reckon.
Can you stop? You're really hurting the hedge funders.
Dogecoin. Banks aren't liking the fact you're spending your money on another money.
Stop moneying. Their money. They need their money.
Critical.
Is this done now? Quite
Yeah.
a high center of gravity with that battery I put on it, but...
Ah, well.
Should I grind off the little sprue thing?
Hold on, I'm just... Yep, you did it.
Well, I literally touched it once. It didn't, like...
Okay, right. Oh, this buggy cockpit is cool.
Does it work?
Wheels. Alright, let's increase the height offset. Speed limit. Let's bring that down. Let's lower the power draw to about 30 so that we last. Wonderful. We've got 2 hours of power. Brilliant. Look at this boy. What a rescue boy. Now I just got to get to Ross. I don't have his GPS coordinates.
Can you see my truck? I can share my truck.
You share
it's
the
near
truck.
there.
I wish I had a better height offset. Oh well. Thank you. See you later.
Bye.
I go. Seven hours. Two hours. Just carefully does it. I only want to turn the front wheels. Coming, Ross. I'm going to save you. I'm going to save you. Bam, bam, bam. 1 day of power. Wow. Hell yeah. You know what? I'm going to get some ice while I'm out here. So I've got a cargo container on the back. Oh, it's going to get a bit ropey up there, though. Oh, no.
I'm just very quickly going for a piss because I really need one.
Sure. What is this? There's going to be some more in there.
Right, well, where are we at?
I'm coming, Ross.
Yes!
Rover is en route 5 kilometers away. Or 5.7. I only just set off, though. So... I'm coming.
Yeah, that was a, somebody at the, trading accounts. Who just wanted to verify stuff. Apparently you get assigned a person to help you with it. I didn't know that. I didn't realize that. So there you go.
Wow.
But that's with a different app. That's IG.
I see.
Into them.
No, not at all.
Interesting. I was just like, yeah, I'm jumping on the bandwagon. And he's like, yeah, understandable. Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah, here we
A
go,
lot of
wheelie
people are doing
dealy.
it. Yeah. You know, the stock market's all over the place. It's all fun and games sometimes, but yeah, you've got to be safe. And so he was just like, yeah, talking about that basically.
It's alright, I got a whole limited business to rinse of money.
Yeah, I was just like, yeah, no, I just honestly, I'm all on board with screwing over Wall Street. So yeah, that's what I'm. That's what would be quite fun for me. But
Good.
otherwise, I'm not really that serious. You're talking to somebody who's literally signed up to an app on a whim.
Yeah,
based on an internet meme.
Because of Reddit.
Yeah. But he seemed to understand that.
Do you want to know how much battery I've got left on this rover, Ross?
Don't tell me, Trot. Is it good or is it bad?
It's a whole day. Trouble is getting up there, because you're on a hill. 3.8 kilometers away.
Oh, beautiful. That's half the distance. It's good because I've only got 24 of my own personal power left.
Okay, I'm going to increase the speed.
Maybe I don't need this. Do I need my...
Trot, what's your brightness setting on your graphics? Is there a setting for that? Just looking... Maybe there isn't a setting for that. Maybe it's just my screen.
Yeah, I tried... I still haven't got verified on Trading 212 Optimus Slime.
Yeah,
so I couldn't even try that one. Apparently they blocked all the good ones. Which, yeah, I think a lot of them are now. Which I don't know if that seems fair or not, but...
That's really not fair.
It's 100% not.
No,
they've stopped people from buying the stock, so it can't go up any further.
So the big wealthy fat cats don't get hurt.
Too shafted, yeah. Anyway, thank you, Optimistic Spoon, for all of those gift subbies just then. That looks like what?
You.
How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 18 there? Am I reading that right? Insane. Thank you very much.
18 subbies. Thank you very much. Very generous.
All right, Ross.
Great build up to the saving here, which is happening. I'm going to be saved.
I'm making the climb.
I need
Great
this.
climb.
It's the climb.
Now it's 2 hours of power.
Oh, it's gone down. It's gone down, but it should be enough to launch. I only need a few minutes really to fly over there. I think.
You can build a whole new battery, Ross. I've got a whole.
That's what I need to do.
A
whole new battery would be good. Or, I mean, if we've gone through the charging methods. We may need to just build a new battery and deal with that for now.
Indeed. All right. Ugh, this transition is horrible. Here we go. 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 Gonna save you, Ross. It's gonna be okay. Don't you worry about a thing.
I'm worried.
You're gonna live another day.
Nice. Are you sure I won't die on the way down?
You might, but nice song though.
Ah, yes, of course. Too doom and gloom. You might die.
It's likely, but nice song.
Alright, got 18 power.
1.8 kilometers.
Get here before I perish. What happens with my power? Is it just my what turns off?
Your oxygen would turn off, but you don't have to worry about that. I don't think.
I don't need to worry about that. Turn it off now. I press J.
Just not going to be able to use your tools.
Okay.
Which is not too bad.
Not the worst if you're able to build stuff.
Yeah, I can do that. This is quite far out, huh?
Are we out of ore? Is that the problem with production now? Do we need to do another dip?
Might need another dip. Are we out of
That's
iron?
3K stone. We're not out of iron, no. We've got...
Are we full of inventory then?
The assembler cannot build... Oh, it's silver and iron. Do we? Wait. Can we get silver from regular Earth or not? Do you know?
Hold on, I'm just dealing with a flipped rover.
Oh, it's flipped. Oh no.
It's okay. It's all okay. Everything's fine.
Fuel
Is it
critical.
okay?
Yeah,
Because that doesn't sound great.
it's fine, Ross.
Okay.
Don't whizzy. Don't wazzy. Wow, that totally destroyed. Good lord. Alright, well that battery's gone. Probably not best it being on top like that. Oh well. On my way. Come on.
People are telling me to start walking. Try. Is that something I should be listening to?
No.
Or no? Okay.
They're being too negative. Have some faith. Have some faith. We're gonna make it, Ross.
No,
we're gonna get
scientific
you out of
man.
there.
We're in space for. We're trying to get to space for Christ's sake.
Yeah, if we can't do
We need
basic
maths and
ground
science.
stuff, what chance do we have?
Dog smell. This smells like he fucking took a shit.
Is it a
Roll
fart?
again.
This dirty little fart. Yeah.
Roll again.
He left the room, so he's fine. Drops it and leaves.
Little
Nice.
roll. Gonna be okay, Ross. Don't worry about a thing.
Oh, it stinks in here. I'm leaving. Oh, thanks.
Oh, what was that weird smell? Came out of your ass. It is still continuously hilarious when he farts and he just doesn't realise it came from him. Just a clear little and a look around. It will look at us thinking it was us. Fuel is critical. I hear something.
Do you?
Is that my savior?
Yep. Yep.
That's one of the bad pirates.
Could be. I've had no visible signs otherwise.
Literally the worst.
To clarify, you are getting the right marker. You're going towards truck, right?
Yes. It's just a horrible hill. It's... God. It's awful. No. No, not again. Not again.
Falling backwards. Are they saying the weight distribution of the battery is causing this? Or
Probably.
is that
I might
another
just
reason?
break it.
You don't have any gyros, do you, Trot, on that?
I do have a gyro on it. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Get out of
He's
there.
thought this through. He knew what caused us issues before. Energy critical.
Okay, so
You
it doesn't
have
look
to
like
save
soil
us.
can create silver then.
No.
How are you creating silver for the cryo chambers before?
We just had a bit, I think, from the rovers.
Oh, right. Yeah, makes sense.
Wrong unknown signal. T minus 2 minutes.
Now there's a
Sounds
lot
good.
of...
I will say, if you're going directly towards truck, I'm about 200 meters away from truck. Should I make a new
Well,
marker?
I only had this one coordinate to go with, so if you want to send me
Right,
a
I'll give you
fresh
another
one,
mark just so you got a bit more accurate readout.
appreciate
for
that. Thank you. Just
Would a new coordinate get you off your roof, do you think?
about that.
Yeah.
I'm going to get you, Ross. Don't worry about it.
Okay.
My cockpit display is saying weather thunderstorm right now, but don't worry about that.
How do I share this again? Copy clipboard and then
Copy to clipboard, then paste it in chat. It should just appear in our GPS.
chat. Tell me that's worked.
Alright, no worries. No worries here. This is going to be okay.
Is it closer than your previous target? Oh, you're upside down.
A little bit upside down at the moment, Ross. I'll be honest with you. Right. Everything's going to be okay.
Let me guess, you're starting to dig the ground to roll the vehicle back over.
There is that, yes. That is happening.
Crank up the yaw on the gyro truck to roll the buggy. That might give you enough momentum to flick it sideways, considering you should have plenty of power. Actually, no, you might want to continue the digging into it, because you've managed to dig yourself into a little thing now. Override controls, click it.
Whoa! Ah!
Oh no!
You might want to turn it off. Oh, yeah, I guess that's why they...
That was the wrong direction, I believe.
Is it? You got out?
I got out, but yeah, it flipped me a hell of a lot of times. Oh my lord.
Donated $10. Just build another truck to rescue.
You would have thought, with all the capabilities we have here of creating like motors and transfer systems and cryo chambers, that we could make ice using the powers and technology we have, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
I mean,
yeah. You think we'd have a freezer on board?
Yeah. I've just ran a giant giga drill, and we can't apparently run a compressor to create some ice.
That's basic game. It's a game thing.
Making ice out of, I don't know, condensation in the air, the mist in the... There's all sorts of things you can make ice out of.
Just want to get over this lip. There we go. Come on, just a little...
You don't have a water source. There's plenty of moisture in the air we could create ice with on a big enough scale.
It's raining right now.
And it's raining right now.
Come on. Wiggly wiggly. Little bit of wiggle. Come on. Give it some wiggle. Alright, big jump. Yes! Alright. Ross.
Buddy out there.
So treacherous around here.
Fuel critical.
I refuse to drive up this without making modifications.
I know my jetpack fuel is critical. It's on 0. You don't need to tell me every 10 minutes that it's still critical. Where's that button? These doors are nice, aren't they? Nice design. Sci-fi style design. Oh yeah. That's a nice door.
Oh my god.
No,
what
I didn't.
happened?
Yeah, I lost all the ice earlier, unfortunately. I fell down the side of the hill and didn't have any jetpacks to slow me down. What?
Look at Mochi. She's so muddy. Oh my god.
Oh.
What did you do?
Is that,
Oh my god. Is she
So
covered in
muddy.
metal? Is she wearing a jacket or is she?
Yeah, she has a
Towel.
jacket
She's
on,
got a jacket
so
on.
it's just
Oh,
the
man.
exposed bits. But
Okay.
you had some fun walking then. Nice.
I bought something the other day which is might be quite useful for this scenario. It's like it looks like a flashlight. Bear with me.
I'm bearing.
However, it's for dogs' legs, and it's like a tub, and inside you put their leg in, and then it grabs most of the dirt and cleans it off. You
Oh.
put, so basically, it's like a leg cleaner for dogs.
That sounds amazing.
Like a kind of very narrow bucket.
Yeah, but it's just
Any
for their
other-
legs, so you can
Has it got any
fill
other
it with a.
use?
Fuel
Why
Probably-
stop there? Why
It's
stop there?
quite
Give 'em
wide,
wellies.
so I don't
Give
know.
'em
if
wellies.
you
No! No, no, no! No!
you can give 'em wellies. It's flipping. It's flipping upside down.
Uh,
I had to describe it as a flashlight. I'm gonna have to get it now. Hang on.
Okay. Let's figure this out. So it's not the yaw that I need to override. Pitch. Roll override. Surely it's that.
So you've actually got this.
Wait.
Right.
What happened? I died.
Ah.
What? I was gone for like a second. I'm back at the base. Troy, you're gonna have to like rebuild. What the? Oh mate, that rescue mission. What happened? Did I run out of Does anyone know?
Ross ran out of power, so he died. Apparently.
Oh, I didn't realize. Is it that crucial? I thought I had
The
oxygen.
suit power is also
My life.
for some reason. I mean, if you open your mask, is that still the same case?
Well, I did have it open.
Yeah. So you should
Anyway,
really suffocate
this
as long as it's
This is the thing. It's just
the little
basically
rubber
a
boot.
the,
Look at that. Oh, so it's got like little like bristles to like. And so
Yeah, so
what?
the-
You
this is
basically you masturbate your dog's leg, do you, to when you're cleaning it?
You can call it that if you can say it like that if you want. But yeah, like basically, this is why I called it a flashlight because look, it looks like one.
What action
But
do you use when cleaning your dog's leg?
Well, let's say this is the dog's leg.
Yeah,
I mean,
your arm is a
I actually
dog's
have a
leg.
lamb's leg in the other room for him to chew on if you want me to get that as an example, but it's quite grim.
Crazy.
Yeah. So yeah, you'd be like, okay, fill this with soapy water, maybe. I don't know if you fill it all the way. I've not used it yet, actually. But yeah, you pop his leg in there, and it would drag all the mud out, and then hopefully give it a little clean so it's easier.
Does it work? Doesn't look like. Have you used it yet?
Not yet. No, I got it yesterday, so ordered it, came through. So yeah, and I think you can just take this inner lining out.
So is it just like a cleaner,
wash all the
easier
cum
way
away.
than
I
like
mean,
using a towel? I'm guessing, right? Like it's just a less messy. way
yeah.
using a
That's
towel.
it's basically it's called a mud buster, so it'll just get rid of all the mud and stuff, and then you can towel them down.
Would you?
I saw
Was
it.
it
I
Magnum
thought, yeah,
size?
give it a try.
What size did you go for? Magnum.
This
size,
is large, even though he's considered a medium dog. I
Why
thought
are my wheels going
Right.
back?
it might be harder if it's smaller. So,
Nice.
so that's the plunging action. Or you can just hold it like this and do it like this.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like over and over again.
What
if
does
you
that
want.
simulate? Do you?
Well, it just simulates his leg being cleaned. Like all the
Oh,
mud
that's
coming
what
off of
it
it. Yeah. You can also
Right.
do this action, just twist it around and get all the mud. Get all the mud off and then just... And then bam.
Have you
clean
banged
leg.
it yet?
Yes. No, look at that hole. I mean, what do you think of me?
That's a
Fair
wide
play.
bore, to be fair.
Fair play if you really consider me, because let's get this can here for an example. This is what you assume I am. Thank you.
Okay.
Tuna can. Well, no, just a Pepsi can. Just a can.
It's hard to get the scale, to be fair. Now you put that in, that does
That's-
make it.
Yeah,
seem
there's a
insane.
scale for you. It takes a whole can. So if you think I'm able to use this as a device without actually being able to touch the sides, then fair play. But I don't think I would, unfortunately. It's not gifted.
That's a good point, Ross. Because Trot's dog is smaller, do you think Trot can get away with just an actual flashlight and
Yeah.
you'll use it?
Definitely,
Yeah.
yeah. That's a double
Yeah.
use trap. You can get that one.
That's a
So
double,
in
that's a
terms
treat.
of where I am in the game, I'm back at the base. We need to save my thing. Are you just building a nice little ship here?
My
Oh no,
That's
I'm not.
nice.
No,
my steering
I
is all
don't know.
reversed.
This is somebody else.
I want to know why.
I mean, I don't have any girders anymore. It's the girders for thrusters we need, and then to create girders we need cobalt, right? Is it cobalt?
It's just not letting me go in the right direction.
Is it? Do you need cobalt for girders? I don't think so.
No, not for girders. For Wait, and what do we need it for? So I want to build a thruster. What are the ingredients for that? Yeah, what
Girders
metal
just
grid?
need
sorry.
iron.
Grid. Metal grid is what I need.
I might have. I've got metal grids on me. Here you go. Come take them.
Okay.
Do you need anything else? I've got a load of other stuff.
I'm gonna see. Cannot withdraw 52 power cells. Oh wait, am I
You
trying
need power cells.
to? No, I think I
I've
was
got
trying.
20.
Oh, have you?
It
Okay.
means you haven't got enough.
That would be useful for one battery, maybe. Feel a bit like I'm starting from scratch there, unfortunately. I can build a tiny little, maybe one little launcher to get me up there, like I did last time.
But you also need to take power.
That didn't take
right?
long. Well, if Trot's already got it, I can just. Yeah, I'll try and take power with me. Jesus, yeah, that seems.
Take power.
That makes sense.
Always good to
Actually,
have
do I even need
backup.
Do I even need?
Trying to make a launcher. Remember, we don't have cobalt for thrusters.
That's what we need.
Where
for
do we,
thrusters,
if we
isn't
don't? Where do we get cobalt from? Just deposits on around the world.
Yeah, and it's usually underneath where iron is. It's relatively.
So is it like deeper then, or
It's
it's
just
just in
deeper than
proximity
iron,
to iron?
Yeah, it's usually around iron, usually deeper.
Wait, but iron comes from soil, doesn't it? Or are there actual iron deposits too?
You can actually get proper iron deposits.
One more display. Have you got a display on you, Smith, at all? I'll try and make
yeah, I do. I have 4. I have quite a lot of
one.
stuff actually. I can just dump it all in here if
okay.
you want.
Yeah, we can just come next to it and just.
I'll check the displays on the floor. Just here.
Cheers. Thank you.
And I'll dump everything else. There's quite a few materials in there now.
Bulletproof glass is the other thing.
That'll be in the main thing now if you just go and loot it.
Sweet. Oh, yes, bulletproof. Right. I think I might have enough to build some actually 2 thrusters really. I'm gonna go minimal and get up there. More bulletproof glass. Do I need the bulletproof glass? Once it says functional hack, it should just work, right? Is that right?
Functional, not hack. Yeah. If they're at the same line, then yeah.
Yeah.
Same thing.
I guess if this has a battery anyway, that's what I can take off to do that.
Oh, this place is horrendous.
What do I need? Construction comp 5. Okay.
Go this way. Just enough.
If I manage to get there before you do, that's incredible.
Yeah.
In terms of just this tiny little buggy thing I'm building, which
it's more the hill getting up there.
I know, yeah. The driving up there sounds chaotic.
Wait, you're flying about, right? Okay, you're flying.
Yeah, I'm gonna fly up there.
How have you got flight?
I've seen.
Well, I've got thrusters.
I've seen this kind of build before, and it's tricky because you're so small. Your roll axis.
Yeah. You have. Yeah, it's not great. This is what I used before to get my shit back.
How did you build thrusters?
I just built them. I've got the materials on me for some reason. I've got 18 metal grids.
Oh, you had 18 metal grids on you. All right, that's what.
Apparently, somehow, I'm not sure how I've still.
Oh, I gave you the metal grids. I had some metal grids on me.
Smith gave them to me.
Okay.
Is that what you've been after? I need a gyro. That's what.
Is this what? Is this the whole build? How are you gonna?
So
what?
I might build another thruster. Oh! Whoa!
Okay,
what was that?
That just lightning.
Lightning?
I think that just got struck by lightning. I think it
what
looked
the
like
hell,
it.
man? I'm building this thing. Lightning? Come on. We don't need more bad luck. We're just trying to save things. I'm getting struck by lightning.
It's a game about creating your wildest dreams whilst the environment around you ruins them. It's essentially Space Engineers, I think. It's like you get really excited to build your own things.
Oh, these are hazardous.
So I've got 3. Okay, so I've got 3 thrusters, a battery, and a gyro. This, I think, is all I need. So if I get all the thrusters on the right page, thrust, sure, that's fine. Go to my G groups, thrusters. I will go toggle block, all blocks. There we go. Switch lock, battery, toggle block. Okay, I think we're ready to go up there.
I'm ready to see it. You're floating. You've rolled forward. You're upside down. You're upside down.
I'm upside down.
What happens now? Oh, sweet. Sweet, what happened?
Don't know. I flipped upside down. This isn't how this was meant to be. The battery blew up.
This
That's what
doesn't look
happened.
like... The battery's blown up, is it?
Yeah, immediately.
Nice.
Maybe I need to move the thruster slightly further away. I don't know.
I mean, yeah, to
Thrusters
be
cause
fair,
damage to things behind it. If it's
Right.
directly touching the flame.
shouldn't
of the
I think it
thruster.
just rolled
I
over a few
attached
times.
a thruster
and
to
got
the
damaged.
battery, and that's where my error is. I think.
I don't know. I think it's
okay.
just you had a bit of damage rolling off the side. It's all right. You seem to have enough stuff to build another battery. No?
No, I
Ran
don't. No, I need a 12.
It'll be the power cells. I'll go back and get the power cells.
Damn.
Did you have a gyro, Ross, on that?
There was a gyro. Yeah, I can probably build it now. Let's see. I had to put it just on the side. You shouldn't really
Okay. What
touch
do you
it,
need?
should
I'm at the inventory thing. What do you need?
Let me just try this gyro
Cells.
for a second to see
Power
what I need.
cells. That's what you needed for the
Yeah.
battery. I can finish the battery.
Yeah, power cells.
Fuel critical.
I think I've got enough to build a gyro. This thing looks stupid. Maybe I don't need the third thruster. I don't know. Probably I do. Otherwise I'm going to flip around, aren't I?
Well, surely you need 3 axes of thrust in order to create a flyable object.
Yeah, you need all directions.
You need all directions, really, yeah. So the third one needs to be just further away from the battery. Maybe on this little platform.
How's the drive going, Trot?
Just creating a new road.
Oh, been there. Wait until your buggy runs out of batteries after you've just done all this.
Oh, no. Don't go away from me.
Got enough battery.
Battery 2. That's the new one. We have a gyro. Let's see if that's toggle on. Okay.
Alright.
Oh, V doesn't zoom out at all. What the hell?
Hold Alt and zoom with your mouse scroll wheel. Sometimes you might be too close to the base or
Oh, I
some
see.
intercepting objects.
Potentially.
Am I stuck on here?
He's over.
I'm going to move these thrusters, I think. I'm just going to move them so they're a bit more balanced. It seems to be fucking with it.
Freedom, please. It's
How are
been
you gonna,
such an
like-
arduous journey.
Well, I don't think I actually attached it. I've got to do this.
How are you going to flip it up now and get it on its side?
Right, so first of all, I'm going to...
You're going to use
I'll
weight
do-
to like lean it over.
That's a good point. Yeah, maybe I can just...
Yeah, but then it's
shove
just going to flop over onto the other side instead.
Yes.
it. If I...
Actually, no. Maybe you could stick the if you stick a
If
thruster
I put a
on top
launcher...
of
Yeah, if I put a thruster on it, maybe it can...
that.
Yay.
Is it the right way around?
Okay. That way looks safer. Oh god, I got too much power.
How much
Maybe
longer do
10
you
is
guys want to
when
go
upside
for?
down.
Because I basically didn't start anything because I got back to base at 10 to 5.
Okay.
I'm very close.
I
to
appreciate
the
you
truck.
guys are in the middle of doing something, so yeah,
Yeah.
Yes.
hence why I didn't bring it up
I don't want
until
to
now.
be an
but-
unsatisfying ending. I'm very close.
Can we get there? Just got to get
Oh,
there.
just got free. Please. I'm at the truck. Where's the new coordinate?
Buggy boy off to your left, 300 meters.
No, that's
the
mine.
one?
That's my own
Okay.
GPS. Ross, I don't think you sent it correctly. There's
No?
a coordinate where it is. If you could
Share the coordinate in
paste
chat.
Okay. Where is
Thank
it
you.
again? Okay.
Fuel
GPS.
critical.
copy it to clipboard
Ross
and then
Rescue.
paste it.
Is that the one? Looks like the exact same.
I see it.
Oh, okay, nice.
All right, very close. Nice. There it is. I see it. Oh my god. I'm here. I'm here to rescue
Critical.
So
a ship.
all you need to do is hook it up, charge it, fly it back, pick up one of us, come back, drive the buggy back, and drive the thing back. Easy.
No, I just need to put a battery on it. That's what I need to do.
Fuel critical.
You do, yeah. Once you put a battery in, you can drive
But
back.
it's it's not got any. It won't have much charge, will it?
It's
Well,
got
the
zero
basic
charge to
battery.
connect it, so it needs a battery.
Oh yeah, you're true. Yeah.
Is this functional?
Oh, yes, okay. This is better.
Oh,
Can I
yeah,
use
fine.
this?
I think
Oh, man, maybe I can just use this. 2?
this is
thrusters?
working. This is working now.
Okay. How much time have I got? An hour? 2 hours. I can get to you, Trot, with this remedial setup.
Happening here. Well, that one's.
Fuel
None
critical.
of these are broken.
Let's do it.
Oh, concentrating so hard right now. What's busted? Just want to get this working. Where's the thruster that's incomplete? I don't see it. See it.
Don't see my marker. Where's Rescue Ross?
It's
Risky
Rescue.
Ross.
Press K, GPS.
Oh,
Double
don't
click.
make me do things when I'm trying. Let me see. Let me try and land first. I'm gonna end up crashing again. I'm right near the truck. I was only 200 meters away from the truck, so I should be like above
You're
it.
very close. Yeah, you should go down the hill a bit.
I see it. I think
Yes. It's ready
you
to
see me?
fly.
it's ready to fly. Okay, I'm coming down.
I don't know where you
Hopefully not in a negative way. I see the land launcher.
are. You do? I don't
Okay,
see
we're gonna have to. You don't?
Oh, I see you. I see
Yeah, I'm right
you.
above.
Oh my god.
Look at this thing I've built, Trot. This is ridiculous. What I've managed to build this on.
Oh god, Ross.
Look at it.
How are you going to land that? Oh, I'm so
I don't
terrified.
know. With
Of
great
you just
difficulty.
plowing into both my buggy and your ship. Oh, this barely has any battery. I think.
But wouldn't that be so much more entertaining, though, Trot?
It's got 10 minutes of flight, Ross.
Why has the new
Have
one?
you checked it can actually take off because it might still be
It can.
overweight.
I've got this battery.
Shall I just
Basically
fly
just
your
trying
thing
to-
home?
Maybe.
Or you just-
But
Are you
then
trying to land?
your buggy's stuck up.
I
there.
thought, yeah, we got your buggy because we can salvage everything if I
Alright.
get there. I just need to.
You got minutes, Ross, to land that.
Why? What's happening?
Because of the battery I've built on this thing.
Why is it
got-
using power now?
Oh, I
Right,
can
I'm coming
turn it
down.
off,
I'm coming
I
down. It's fine.
guess.
Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. I'm making it so.
Alright, these aren't included in the thrusters, so I've added that. There you go. And then we can go to this. Toggle off.
Oh, mate, look at this landing.
Perfect.
Oh, mate, that is
You
could
nailed
not
it.
have been more perfect. Look at this little thing I built.
That's
2 thrusters.
how did you do that on 2 thrusters?
I don't know, but it
The
worked.
gyro is probably
Oh
working
my
really hard.
Yeah, the
to
gyro
counter
is doing all the
thrust.
work. Yeah. But that it was a simple build to get me up here to, to help save things. Okay, so I'm
Get in
gonna
your
destroy
goddamn
this.
cockpit.
I'm gonna take this
you can
down.
Dump
I mean,
it
there's a
in there.
battery here, so
Yeah, you're not going to get a power cell from this though.
no.
But I will use some of this to repair my buggy. Thank
yeah,
you.
take what you need. Take what you
It's
need.
smoking.
Okay,
Small steel tubes. Don't have
so I've
them.
got a couple of minutes of flight time with this one
Yeah.
before it dies.
You can get out.
Is there anything I can do to the battery now?
No,
Like to?
no, that's it. What you've got is what you've got. Just tap on the thrusters and get out of here.
Okay.
I've updated your group because you had some missing thrusters in your turn on and off group. Off you go.
Okay.
See you later. Rescue complete. Until he needs to land it. Christ.
The sun's actually finally coming up as well. This entire thing has been done
day.
in like darkness and lightning and
It's not been the best
stuff.
weather. We're doing it. We're flying. We didn't lose our cargo. It's all in there. There was a dramatic moment, sure. A long moment.
A blip.
But it's
Right,
happening.
at least we got the ice, guys, eh? At least we got the ice.
There's ice in that thing, right?
No.
What?
Oh wait.
No,
Whoa.
nobody's got any ice.
Whoa. I'm getting sparks.
What?
Am I being attacked? Something's shooting me. I'm being
There's
shot.
no ice?
What's happening?
There's a pirate. There's a
They're
pirate
shooting the
base like
shit out of
400
me.
meters.
I'm still okay. I just got shot the shit out of. Everything's trying to make me die.
There's no ice.
There's no ice, Trot.
No, we didn't get any ice, did we?
That's what the original mission was. Ice write-off.
That's okay.
No.
Ross
Now
just
I've got
fell out
one.
of the sky. Did you just fall out of the sky?
A little bit, yeah.
I saw you get so close. Did you run out of energy?
No, it's just. I think I lost a couple of thrusters, but everything seems to be pretty much as it is after the attack. But yeah, now I'm landing in a ditch. I'm in a ditch. Okay. But I'm closer. By how much? By 200 meters. Okay, that's fine. That's workable.
Right.
We're
That's
good.
Definitely work. You can just break your
Now
ship down.
I need to turn off
Psych.
these thrusters. Hang on. Let me just turn these thrusters off.
This is so much closer. Yeah, this is like easily rescuable here.
Yeah. Okay. That's fine. I mean, it didn't really take much to build this. It was more of a case of just rescuing
Necessity.
everything. All the materials and stuff in the cargo hold.
Mm-hmm.
That's
So
the
grab what
important
you need.
stuff.
That is
Get
the
that
important
back
stuff.
to base.
But yeah,
Didn't get any ice.
took a lot of damage then just flying over. Maybe I can push her?
So next
Take
time
her
we
off.
need to work out a way to get cobalt and silver.
Yeah.
Because I think that's the thing we're getting.
Desperately.
I think a
think-
more robust rover and not going up
I
the
don't think
hills.
it. Well, if we have to build a rover, sure, but I don't think it's worth
we can
building a
break
rover
down
if we
these
can.
thrusters, yeah.
If we can create like a stable flying, heavy lifting craft.
a mining drill.
That would probably be more useful than I mean maybe we can get a drill to go on a buggy or something once we find. I don't know. I just feel like the further you travel in the buggy, the more risk there is you're going to flip it or something.
We are in particularly treacherous hills for some reason. It's so rocky around here.
Yeah, all my down thrusters have been shot off, basically. So I can just spin. Oh, don't get out of the vehicle.
I see.
So it can be salvaged quite simply by putting thrusters on there, but I'm getting through thrusters pretty quick. But we have
Well.
it. We can save here.
I think my buggy is going to make it back home as well, so this isn't all lost. It's got a lot of cargo on it. I did pass.
Much ice? Do you have an ice
No,
machine on that thing?
There's no ice machine on this.
Well,
thing,
careful,
no.
don't go too far left. That red source is where Ross got shot from.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it's 400
Sure.
meters. Thanks. Scouting outpost. Oh, it's an outpost, right? At least they're stationary. Back I come. Successful rescue mission. I don't know what I really rescued, but
Well, we got back to it, didn't we?
You charged up
Yes.
the buggy, the ship, and then
Ross's
Ross
Mark
smashed it
II.
into the
I
ground.
built a tiny little pod to get there, and
We got the bits. We got the bits
Yeah.
back, which is important.
Oh, yes.
we'll fix our supply problem next time. Not a problem.
Hang on, we've got an issue with some of these thrusters here.
See, this land over here is much better for exploiting
off
its
for a second.
resources. So close.
I might be able to pick this up and bring it over. Actually, I moved the thrusters around.
Also built a ton of the base, you're right. It's flashing out. There's a little warehouse ready for my little rover to dock in. Can't wait. should put up like a sensor thing. I don't know if I can do that. To like know when
How
I'm
do I
nearby.
open the door? Do I just press button 1 and it opens the door?
Button 1 should open. There's the other deposit. Hello. Ore boy.
What is that? That big rock?
Yeah, it's a big rock of ore. Let's see what's in it quickly.
Critical.
Silver.
Hmm.
It's a silver
It's going to be
deposit.
useful. Electronics. Yeah, useful. We can build all the computer chips and stuff with that.
Yeah. Let's get a little snippet now. A little snippet. And I'll come back.
Power.
Might just be stone actually.
Oh, one of the switches is
There it is. There's the
I
good
know why.
stuff.
There we go.
Yeah.
That's what we use. Right, so I'm able to bring this back now. Look. Hello.
Hello? Hello?
We're landing on. I'm landing.
Oh, you managed to bring it back. Excellent.
Yeah, it's because I didn't have any down.
Bit of a
thrusters,
repair.
so I've got some up for a basic repair. Coming into land gently
Look at those dunes over there. That's pretty
is the
cool.
key. We able to move forward slightly? Yeah,
My steering is way too strong.
and we're on. Beautiful. Jace, what a drama that was. But
We'll
I've got
create our own
the
fun
main
here.
build back.
Open the doors. Oh
Okay,
wait,
hold on.
are they already open?
No.
So
I
what have we got here? Is
return.
this a little
Mama's home.
Open
back
the
as
door.
well. Beautiful. Oh wow, this is great. Oh, it's a bit
It's just
slow,
the
but I like it.
framework.
And he's docking with it. Oh, that's wonderful. Dock in. And a nice little connecting dock. It's not quite.
It's broken. It's a broken connection.
Yeah.
Well, there you go. That's how it's going to
There we go.
work.
You got
Lovely.
Is it working now or not?
nice.
As in my back connector got
Nah,
busted
you're
on
right.
the
Yeah,
way
it's not
back.
functional.
That's fine. That's just a real quick.
But we did it. Okay, we're back.
Hey, I did it. It's locked in. It's charging.
Yes.
All we need is
nice.
Woo!
All we need is ice again. We're all right. We just need ice.
Just the ice for these cryo chambers.
Right.
Right, I'm gonna go up. Oh, there's some mountains over there that have got snow on them. I'm gonna go up over there. I'm just gonna
Right.
borrow the buggy.
If you finish this, boy, it's got a cargo container. This is all the framework ready to fly.
Nice.
For next time, obviously.
Yeah, for
Every
next time,
direction
it's
is catered for.
it's a
There's
lot
a
of work.
medium cargo container in the back. That's ready to go. So next time we can get some ice with it, perhaps, or with Ross's one. Either one.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
this-
feel like
Maybe
we've
this
learned a
could be
lot
the
today.
rescue one.
This, I mean, yeah.
Well, I think
I
Ross
can
just has to
simplify.
build one of his tiny little hatch
Yeah.
things, right, and just take that
Yeah.
instead.
That thing is insane.
I can make several of those as rescue pods, and just have
Yeah.
them at our base.
Sure.
They really were, a
Yeah.
couple of them at least.
I like
Just
that.
as
Uh,
immediate, urgent safety measure.
Hop in your cryo chambers. Let's call it a day here, folks.
Indeed.
And
yeah.
now I get to kill the clones and get a couple
Oh,
new
wow, you
ones.
got a cryo chamber.
Over here, Ross. Over here.
Ah.
There's only
The
2
mod-
cryo
Wow.
chambers drop.
Yeah, I'm the server owner, so I
Wait.
should be okay for now until I get my own saving game. Perfect.
He's just spraying new car smell at me.
Yeah, it's a gimmick. Thank you very much for watching Space Engineers today. Quite the whirlwind.
Yes.
Anyway, if you're enjoying this whirlwind and you would like more growth, more expedition, more exploration, let us know. Subscribe. That really shows us that you enjoy this
Indeed.
stuff.
Yeah,
see you
it
in the next
does. Yeah.
one. Indeed. Goodbye for now.
Bye.
Hurrah!
Thanks, everybody.
Okay.
Stop our recordings there.
Yeah.
3.5 hours. I'm sure Craig can ship that away. So it's a bit paced nicely. for YouTube's.
Yeah, obviously there was some huge
Moments
holes
of just
there where we were trying
desperation
to
and
sort everything out, and
building.
that's fine. But that happens.
Indeed. Thank you, Mr.
Survival game.
DF Pie, for 600 bits in total. Didn't expect you to manage that so quickly. Ding Dong, thank you. Optimistic Spoon, thanks to the dollary dingoes. Just build another truck to rescue Trot. Lol. 1T Womark. 7 months on Prime. Plans to sell your pets for GameSpot stonks. If it comes to it, it comes to it, you know? You know what I'm saying?
Can't buy them at the moment.
Can't buy them.
Hopefully. Because if that is an option, then yes, definitely. Who wants to buy a lizard?
For stonks. We've got stonks to
Trading
sell.
lizards for stonks? No, I wouldn't trade my lizards for stonks.
Thank you to
All
Ian the
things.
Nerdfish for 3 months. Worst B-Wing impression I've ever seen from Ross there. Lol. Little B-Wing.
Oh, I don't know. A little bit.
Thank you everyone for tuning in today. I will close that off and send you all to someone else. We'll be back tomorrow as per usual, 2 p.m. Don't miss it. And we'll be having some fun. Lovely. All right.
Indeed.
Any final words?
Tonight at 6:30, we've got another reaction video going out on the main channel.
Oh, yeah. Nice.
Talking about RV. Is it going to be the RV one?
Should be.
Or has that already been out in full?
I think it's
Hard to tell.
Is it Craig's Big Day Out and Tesla?
Oh, yeah, it's the
Craig's
Tesla
one.
one. Yes, it's the
Okay,
Tesla
okay,
one.
yeah,
cool.
Tesla one. Yeah, that's
So our
And
Tesla
then at
one.
7 o'clock, there's also The Forest going out on Hat Gaming. So,
Brilliant. So much content.
It's all kicking
Please
off.
Go check
It's
it
all
out.
popping.
We'll send you over to, let's see who's live right now. We got Rabsy Boy. Let's send you over to Rabsy. He's doing really well for himself. Good on him.
Some dad
Say
stuff,
hello.
too. He's not even a dad.
It's not even a dad. He's on that server. It's all a sham. Thank you, everybody. Bye.
Ta-ra,
Bye.
everyone.